And it's time for sports. I go to Munsama, go Pramason, Semanano Pay. Sheshepa. The kindest courtesy of Lumba Zubana Chomin Water. I go to Munsama, crowd up. Now, on the 28th of August, Democracy Cup between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Accra House of Folk. Live commentary on DLFM 106.9. I am Obia Nasa Fabulous. I'm running Krabian and Betchy. Democracy Cup exclusive on DLFM. Go Kumasi. I've heard the live commentary at the abroad. But when we are Quenya Mao, so one so beton, dear Woton, and after what who the road. Democracy Cup, you more. Miss Macadu said, and I said, I pay no why for papa. Oh, yes. Miss Macadu say, looking so handsome this morning. Maybe enough for me, Mamma Bizakwaba. Mamma say, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Hitman.
It's the same. Oh, okay. So you're looking so handsome this morning.
Thank you so much.
And how is the family?
Oh, everyone is good.
That is Obia. Hey, Obia where?
Yes, Obia where?
Yeah, Danyanko Pass. If you boko, yeah, Danyanko Pass.
Sounds Bibia Boko.
Bibia Boko.
Na striker show.
Striker. Striker dear. You see, I was one striker beam. This was a chef. Into fear. No, you had different recipes near there. What you phone and I just say, what in the internet in the swat, we recipes near there. No, I do credit you. The boom say, or person watch pancake. I was, yeah, Quabda. Yes,
Strike and your boy.
Debbie, born went to me.
Maybe so also I did Diani Hano.
Debbie.
Adrian answered the strike I had.
Oh, yeah, dear papa.
Oh, yeah, dear, no dear.
I tell you, some dear. Or they teach me with you, Hopper.
Striker. You be the boy who can striker, Bomabu.
But the teachers and such as a born, why are dear pa? But your name must strike a crime, strike a mobile.
Also, me a right winger.
Players in this one moment, but your transfer, I hey, you must strike here, dear.
Sir,
a blue change. I know shit.
Me petit Biamano, Prince Prince Amaku Junior, and a brand team. Because it doesn't strike a DJs over Bianca. Many netting come crazy.
Okay, you're better.
Consider chef for the entire striker for
Mate, but baby, I so Democracy Cup, Basso Bang.
Oh, 28th of August, yeah.
Oh, okay, and Basso Kumasi.
Yes,
Baba is supposed to be.
Yes,
between Accra Hearts of Folk, Team here one crying.
Yes,
and a team Papa Wagana, Kumasi Asante Koto.
And over my own incophobia.
Me new being
I don't know how
some no crayon to Sebe. When me said the upper diako kotokonom, ya mona bro. What I say, I said the upper diako has ya bona bro.
And I'm very
Debbie. We need to be fair and objective.
Go to commercial sentem.
They say, team a one crying, Accra House of Folk, and a team Papa Pay Wagan Hanum. Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko, Kumapema.
Na Mr. Hitman de bia mbusam se kasa bebu no twi munku ana mubu nana
some penfo wonyansa ne wonim die mu no ensem bi wono ma yentumi nka ne sa trakeke na wo se wonyen ensem no na woka ne kasa kwa
omutimi ka se enim guase mfata okaniba na se bio efu enim guase mfata efu
eno so ye nkomo a ewo ho
okoja Munsu mubu wa igbe musen because come here say I can't gas an nko na everything baby an say to money has for no pay
me to money o me say de o pe ade akokotoko no ye mo na bro wo pem so na nanom na se tutu kuma pema apem beba kuma se Asante Kotoko
master ti brun so ne ntemu
Democracy Cup see a new coach ni wo ho Eric Tinkler na da no me konya akwanya exclusive team ni be pie mu won kran no me ni team ni kodi nsa wo so kakra
okay
and some me send me ma hwe videos and no hwe team na we are in shape yen kasa oh yes
what is our black queens and na sa
me say yen kasa we are still on course we are preparing for the Ghana Premier League yen kasa bibiri
mu team makohwe bio
and anapemi nche yen nuanom centrofo a wo support Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Me nua wo mahene Kwabena Asante. O mahene na pay michia papa Patrick Osajman songwa na pay michia me nua ba frema adunyame of city oba frema na pay michia papa
na has fund dia unche bia
Besma can do say we bring you yonkwe. And I michia has for
chevi kakre
has for okay so michia chairman general Kwame Sefakan and I pay chairman michia papa say no no
Isaac Asempa mu nyina so o munzu ti
Isaac Asempa sure
ana ai Eric Asiedu Buadi mu nyina sa has for
sa Eric Asiedu Buadi mini papa
ana mi kan
wodi ankomo ho say Eric Asiedu Buadi e ware no na mijina mu yie papa
oh wow
ntino so wodi fa sports na bra
mate
has nkomo de bedi na chi why
mate Vai tabushano pa memo acheme mo akwa ba kwan so koso kramra dia 106.9 mega swemra so agude mu nsam papa na de sumu dwumadi kase suwe no e ya de kan se ni da sumu bia dwumadi asujwa anopa wo te godfather kaso no so efre chichi ne bencha be fa dwumadi nchia me de no enso sini metrisha no pa wo te ne nkaba bi bia onso mani ta dwumadi no amra so besima kadu se man bi se mensuma so agude mu nsam no yemfa papa na sumu dwumadi kase su na bi bia no enso enko nka no pass da piesie e kwede Lumba super brand we are trying to say the America din come and search us up in Zunga so pana sempo and super papa du juma dia no ane ade kan se Lumba super no poma dama yegu yesin konya so agude mu nsam no yemfa nso mu juma dia suna bibia and so ntimi konka no poma fe Lumba super pani for and we man so da mama 0549889685 no sir 0549436616 so mo no just Lumba super pani for awuma no peme dia tu jano peno juma dia so bibia so ntimi konka Michael so kocha hey producer on duty no kraya enso ade kan se MC adwumade no ona so no so timi afre chichine bancha no pero oba Johnny show no live on Facebook sanso a ade kan se YouTube ne so image sound video sound empoka ne wiase sound no pero onsa kan nyina brand we Michael so kocha ade so sumu nyina no enso tu dwama adwumade so na bibia no enso timi akonka yen hyase enkofon cross ma no nkoma no latest exclusive no ade pa yen fongo no sanso ento adwumade enso da na bibia so edidam yen hyase de amenu kasano unim sade kansa Spanish Premier La Liga enso timi hyase no nota ana se match Saudi Pina enso tojo enra unsu ukopiema wade kansa Spanish Premier La Liga na so dia me pacho big game bako enso timi tojo during that time club friends no enso pacho no aya Deportivo La Coruña enso trefi our Estadio Municipal de Reso enso the club friends no me pacho chere windam so after 90 minutes na game no enso timi ande one sa brandia your friends PM Rico Bamia and your first goal in Deportivo La Coruña going to on the 21st minute and up at the sun come on and so to Mark Aguato and so to me responded real quick and so to me equalizer and so my club friends eche so going to just 76 minute and up at the sun come on and so to George Media so na bibia and so to me Kamino Kasa na day and I say you better can say net day and I say and net day ya unimsa ade can say Champions League playoffs no when I final round of games no and also toja na no kopiam dia matches out do pina toja and then in the idea can say na gichia so out na matches out do pina and so be toja me patro Levzi Sofia and so be trefie ne when AEK Athens and so da windam so Celtic and so be trefie no ne Lax and so timi ade windam so na no and so Dynamo Zagreb and so be trefie ne Vakin and so timi na windam so na unya club your friends Bratislava and so ne club friends no me patro Serge and so betimi abana fa unya club your friends have Paul Bia Sheva and so the club friends Saba when the match is out do pina me no kasa no sube to George you for Champions League playoff no and so see dem come to na and so to George Media so na bibia and so timi akon me no kasa the after say and no say over the week and say ade can say community show no and so timi to after say Arsenal team no and so the club friends Man City abo me kan poly me so man timi ante me no kasa next week ya say ade can say English Premier League na say unim some matches how do pina tocha and tell me it's Arsenal gamer I'm so ni Coventry babono uno penia friends Thomas Broma Sansona club friends Manchester United and so ni City game no me patro penia friends down in England and so ni betina finance na ono so timi center referee and Pedersen come on and so to John Liverpool referee and so ade can say Anfield no ni club friends Newcastle United abo and tell me it's penia friends stood outward and so the center referee no yɛde sɛ nkɔmɔ nyina no ɛto dwa na Tottenham Hotspur so no ɛne Brentford game no wonim sɛ club amansɛm no ɛnso ɔpani ɛfrɛ sɛ Michael Oliver ɛnso na ɛbɛgyina center na ɛsɛ ɔnso atumi officiality game na yɛde sɛ nkɔmɔ nyina no ɛnso ato dwa na Man City nso ne bomb of game no report a meeting sɛ ɔpani ɛfrɛ sɛ Gareth Gillett ɛnso na ɛbɛyɛ center referee ɛna ɔpani sɛ nkɔmɔ nyina no ɛnso ato dwa na Chelsea ne Fulham game no ɔpani ɛfrɛ sɛ John Brooks nso no ɛna ɔyɛ center referee na ɔpɛ no yɛde sɛ nkɔmɔ nyina no ɛnso ato dwa wonim sɛ after sɛ ɔpani ɛfrɛ sɛ Jose Mourinho ɛnso join the club ɛfrɛ sɛ Madrid ɛna ɔyɛ manager ɛnso de ma club a yɛfrɛ sɛ Real Madrid notable signings out hɔ ɛna ɔpani wɔ nso atumi ɛyɛ report a meeting sɛ nɛ ɛna yɛ sɛ adeɛ kan sɛ new signings nya no ɔmfɛli ne bɛtɔ dwa branti a yɛfrɛ sɛ Makuku Wara Raskuku Nkoko ɛnso tumi agyina bisa nso na nya Jan Domante afa branti ɛfrɛ sɛ Bernardo Silva wonya Ibrahim Konyate ɛna afa branti ɛfrɛ sɛ Denzel Dumfries wɔyɛ nso mmeranteɛ no kasa no ɔmo nso atumi adɔ ne club ɛfrɛ sɛ Real Madrid a ɛna ɔpɛ report a mete ɛne sɛ new adeɛ kan sɛ mpo no mepatwo no ɛyɛ presentation ɔmfɛli no ɛnso bɛtumi ato dwa no pɛ de sɛ nkɔma no ɛnso ato dwa dwumadeɛ so na bibibia no ɛnso atumi akwanka Sunday no a wobɛkae sɛ medi nkɔma kyerɛ dwumadeɛ so sɛ club ɛfrɛ sɛ Madrid ɛnso ne Saka wɔfo ɔboa friendly game nsa after 90 minutes na sɛ Real Madrid team no ɛnso atumi akyerɛ ka miɛnsa kyerɛ ka adeɛ so club a yɛfrɛ sɛ Saka wɔfo reporter no pɛ mensa kan sɛ Madrid ɛnso atumi nya 1.5 million euros sɛ ɔsa friendly game a ɔmne Saka wɔfo ɔboa nti Madrid ne masa mpempi no kyɛ sɛ bibi biam no msɛ bɔsɛm no mpempi atumi da ne sika no so ɛyɛ latest anɔpa mensa kadi nya no ɛnso ato dwumadeɛ so na bibi bia ɛnso atumi akwanka Ruben Amorim Marquez ɛyɛ manager de ma AC Milan team no report anɔpa megadan sɛ waka kyerɛ branti a yɛfrɛ sɛ Christopher Nkuku sɛ ɛwu bɛnya sɛ ɔno nso bɛtumi apɛ club foforɔ ɛnɛ ɛkɔba nsɛ wobɛkɔ loan ɛna sɛ mpo bɛtumi a permanent deal club branti no sɛ ɛkɔba nsɛ club biaba na sɛ no nso tumi show ne interest ana sɛ mpo no ɔmo tumi show interest wɔ branti a yɛfrɛ sɛ Christopher Nkuku mu ɛwu bɛnya sɛ branti nso bɛtumi adwane sɛ club no ɛsiane sɛ ɔno ɔpani yɛfrɛ sɛ Amorim Marquez deɛ wɔno masa ne project a this season ne wura no abranti yɛfrɛ sɛ Christopher Nkuku ɛnso ntumi ka no yɛ latest anɔpɛ no mensa kadi dwumadeɛ no ɛnso ato dwumadeɛ so na bibibia ɛnso atumi akwanka yɛnkɔ pɛma nso FIFA so yɛ report anɔpa mensa kan sɛ Human Rights Organization first square no ɛnso so atumi ade confirmation asɛmpo no declaration aba mɔnten ɔmo so ɔpani na yɛfrɛ sɛ Gianni Infantino meno kasa no wɔyɛ FIFA president masa ɔpani wei nansɛ ntɛm after sɛ World Cup ni to dwadeɛ ɛnkɔfɔ dodo na atumi atwe aboɔ so bruta wonim sɛ adeɛ kan sɛ Human Rights Organization first square no ɔmo sɛ no pɛ yɛnkam obia ntiasɛ sɛ nyame yɛ adoma next year March adeɛ kan sɛ FIFA presidential election a ɛno nso bɛtɔ dwa Rabat mo adeɛ kan sɛ we no ɛnso so ɛwɔ adeɛ kan sɛ Cairo mepato Egypt na sɛ dwumadeɛ no ɛnso bɛtɔ dwa ɔpani no ɔmo so mpɛ sɛ ɔmo tumi yɛ declare sɛ ɔyɛ ineligible nti ɔpani no ɔntumi stand as FIFA president na ne mpanimfoɔ nso tumi akɔto nso aba ɛno nso yɛ story ɛno nso mepeke no pɛ no yɛde nkɔmmɔ dodoɔ no nso to dwa dwumadeɛ so na bibibia ɛnso atumi akɔnka mami fa wantu anim sɛ after sɛ ɔpani yɛ friend sɛ Papi Theo meno kasa no na yɛ manager de ma my club a ɔna sɛ mpo no we no ɛyɛ ɔman no friend sɛ Senegal the Teranga Lions of Senegal ɔpani wei ɛna ɔbɛka the year 2025 AFCON a ɛno nso tumi to dwa Morocco tumi guard club a anasɛ ɔman no friend sɛ Senegal ɛnso tumi kɔgye AFCON after sɛ ɔpani nkɔfɔ anasɛ mpanimfoɔ tumi gya ne kwa no report a meeting sɛ Patrick Vieira ɛna ne wɔyɛ leading contingent anasɛ candidate a ɔno nso bɛtumi akɔfɛ sɛ dwumadeɛ no ɛnso ayɛ sɛ adeɛ kan sɛ Teranga Lions of Senegal national team no ɔbɛtumi ayɛ manager no pɛri sɛ nkɔma no ɛnso atu dwa report a meeting ɛne sɛ monthly salary no range from 35 million euros anasɛ 35,000 euros to adeɛ kan sɛ 45,000 euros ɛntia meeting ɛne sɛ contract ɛhu ɛkɔba ne sɛ ɔpani ne tia sɛ ne sɛ mpo no wɔbɛtumi agye atum sɛ ɔbɛyɛ Senegal national team no mepatwɔ mo manager deɛ 4 years contract ɛna ɔpani nso bɛtumi de ne nsa si nkrata so ɛnso atumi asensɛ reporter mensa kan sɛ ɔmatumi ama ne target ahodoɔ ɔmo si nyame adom 2027 African Cup of Nations a ɛno nso yɛ pamogya to dwa Uganda Kenya ne Tanzania no ɔpani no ntumi ɛmfa ɔman no a yɛfrɛ sɛ Senegal nkɔpia ma ɔfae no saa nsuo no ɔwɔ nso sɛ adeɛ ka nsɛ po no mepatwɔ FIFA World Cup nyame yɛ adom a ɛto dwa 2030 Morocco saa nsuo no ɔman no ɛfrɛ sɛ Spain ne Portugal no ɔpani no bɛtumi abɔmmɔde no ade Senegal man no ɛnso atumi awura mu wɔ semi-final no nso yɛ target a yɛsɛ mpanimfoɔ nso tumi da nkrata so ɛde ma ɔpani ɛfrɛ sɛ Patrick Vieira sɛ kɔba nsɛ wɔagye atom ne ne ɔno nso atumi akɔfa Teranga Lions of Senegal team no dia na ɛsɛ no nso Tia Kuma Kame Pekano Peno, Yadini Swetu Jana Sergio Busquets back to Barca. This time around, yes, Okoye player. Says Wadoni Club and friends at Barca, Mutim Bino, Athletic Nantiamete, and it's so Penny assistant manager, and so to a Penny friends Juliano Bellate, Minocasan Juliano Bellate, and the idea can say head coach, no, Adama idea can say Barca Athletic team, no, idea can say Timbino, reporter, no, Pamega Sergio Busquets, on our club, idea can say legend, and so to me by assistant coach, and a Pedestal Comaniano, and so to Obeka is a FIFA World Cup Toja, and so Morocco, and I said, when I see US and Canada, and my friends in Mexico, Obeka said doing some, and I said, final game, no, now my friends Argentina, and so any Spain on airport, Openia, your friends as Lavco Face, and Penifonsu Nisa Center referee, and Tia Kakra Bom and Tell Pemekata, and they said during the time of final, he told Jano, a Brante friends and Leandro Paredes, Nessa Wadia Loka, now Sukana Branteka, Nessa referee, no, they say in the camera, says FIFA for us and Penifo, and so to me, Eddie, I can say referee camera, and so about referee, no, dinner park in Nisuano, and also camera Bubano, and so pick out the can say Pono, me patro sport outdoor, when himself referee players in Coma, and Mutina Timia Bamantin, referee say, another and Coma Bamantin say every time Bia, referee friends says Lavco Vince, your boy Messi Bias Massa, a Brante friends Leandro Paredes, Casachino, Mempesa man red card, a yellow card also, send your trying to work time, Nana say, one of Subuana Obu, Nana Messi say, Macabia quality and as a Brantia, your friends Leandro Paredes, Massa, some friend of this man, mine Bueno, Nelsa Branton and soon and you are what does the idea can say, when also just say, what was it, what come one, also a car, and also feel about Leandro Paredes, what can he say, she said, the Tia Biamana, your friends Argentina, so, and when you saw Musubeti Maju World Cup on a panel, yet a sound coming on air to Jana Brantia, your friends say, Yaw Cancelena, maybe didn't come on, say Brantiano, and Swefi Ila Bobo Conimo, Nessa on Sweat Johnny Club and friends at Baza, says a dinner, a Danenra, Yonza Branton, so touch it down, and so our Baza, a Branton didn't come out to Donacelo, Yankamo Biantias, a Branton fence of Kofima Mubasano, was a Yankamo Biantias, or no Yaw Cancelo, was a kind of club is a Bayern Sansua, and a club is a Man City Juventus in Tamlamunano, and a Wetimia Quaqua Dijuma, was a Massa Yankamo Biantias, or saying the entire career of Boponinano, when Timmy more club, more dancing club, your friends at Baza, no see a Yaw Cancelo, then come on a Poco Diano Peno, yet a son coming on air to Judge Meadows, Nabi Bia, and Sweat Milk, Medical in Comassa, a Branton friends of Ron Torres, and so Johnny Club and friends of Paris Saint Germain, after some Julian Alvarez, the offer on a Sapono, no contract in San Samson Fene, or free Atletico Madrid, and so Johnny Bassa Bibiano, me patro reporter no Pamete, and it's a Branta, your friends Victor Jokere, on Lucia Canima Mike, so quote and Tim Arsenal Tim, says a Bassa, and so say Branton alternative idea can say player, and a woman has a command say Julian Alvarez dinner, and then 20 minutes in Tamuko for Brantia, your friends Victor Jokere and a peno, yet the son coming on air to Judge Medeso, now Bibi Bianso Timia Konkana, here we go, Rodrigo and Descas Kante, a Branton Timia touchdown, our Bassa, and now yes, Portia Brantano, and so yourself Taraderas, and also, Taraderas Barcelona El Prat Airport. After some Branton so Bassa, a cardiac cancer private jet take off Branton Manchester. A Branton chatted down our Bassa Cromo. Now was you on so Dinkomo was here ne one Bassa fans in no. Eti Michael Di Kama me Babia so touch it down airport no. San Como Babas near this San Comano. A Branton Dinkomo see so Shanimu. So no so ebetimi teammate no. And so to me Juma was a Champions League. And I say why bet me Abu Bassa. The very last time a Bassa edge Champions League. Hey, way back 2015 to 11 years Kofi Martin no Massa Bruta. Omonje Champions League. Rodrigo Rodrigo and Descas Trento Sanopano. Yankamo Biantia say Waba Bassa no. Oba Buona Club and friends of Bassa. And sweat me Aquaji Champions League. Lucian Coma. A branch of friends of Rodrigo and Descas Kante. And sweat me Diana Padesan Comano. And sweat to Jamaica Catchers a Brantano. And no Bassa and so the idea concept private jet and a Kofani free Manchester Crown Michael. Oh, mommy, during that time, a Branton flight now, and so now master reporter meetings over 40,000, 40,400 people anana omo track abranten ni move no se obekọ Manchester anase obekọ Madrid anase obeba Barca abranten na nwom de na so ne anim ne final destination ti enu amasa during the time abranten flight no enso timi taking off nese over 40,400 people anana ntese omo monitor abranten in the flight baby a kontiene na ntese minim se Michael be from Morocco anase to say class transit 20 ade kan se we no enso international producer Michael so coach and there one function ni nyina yanto so yeni san comment abranten friends Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante and not doing the time abranten no enso flight taking off no and this san comment no air to the reporter and open me gather every Barca team name and so after say Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante enso team ya Johnny team my friends Barca no unim say abranten friends Femi Lopez ana washe number 16 Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante agachense umenya so be pejesi foforo na wono so team ya be fan jersey number 16 esanse wasi sa jersey no ya iconic na kuma so pa entiametin sa brantia je friends Femi Lopez no after sa brantia friends from Torres enso age number 7 jersey na guano Femi Lopez enso akofa number 7 na umenya sa brantia friends Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante enso be fa jersey number 16 ase e Barca club na no se Barca bobo ko na repede so komano enso tu jana se openia je friends Hansi dey tafle enso so etimi ade ne captaincy hierarchy na ba se uko Barca club ni mu dia e ko ban se Barca game na say ye pe captain e abranten friends Rafinha and say Hansi dey tafle ka the captain amba no enso etimi aba no was second captain na say ade kan say deputy no e abranten friends Frankie Dion afentu unya third captain no o de abranten friends Pedro Gonzalez fourth one no e call them abranten friends Pablo Gavi and of fifth captain e call them abranten your friends Eric Garcia na way and to job Barca fans no do na so din komo say Argentina wan twen ye nyina na say ye gitum say abranten your friends Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante enso Johnny Barca Adenti and openia friends Hansi dey taflex no one kananka one for captain no enso ma abranten friends Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante and Paul Cosme one teso dey say enso timi kanshi and pano yere san komanya no etu judgment dey so na bibia enso timi akwanka na ewiase nyina say 5 major leagues across Europe and unya de kan say Scudetto and say Italian Serie A sanso na English Premier League and unya Bundesliga na fepo no me bato Uber Eat French Liga unya de kan say Spanish Premier La Liga me part of 5 European ade kan say top leagues na ya pono omatimi aye so baby na u combine wo nyina boma e 32 billion euros ana omoso etimi effect revenue every year bi omoso etimi de maintain reporter meeting say EPL nko containing 40% into 12.5 billion USD masa EPL ni de sika wo mu bruta ntina ne empempi no players do na so person boy EPL no enti EPL ade kan say 32 billion ade kan say euros and 5 major leagues across Europe so etimi aye revenue every year bi am so timi ba maintain no EPL nko containing 40% ade 12.5 billion euros and opedi some common nyina no enso tu judgment so na bibia no enso etimi akon reporter no pa megada FIFA so and say we no a chief operation manager your penny friend say Kevin Lamo empanifo janu kwan esanse nansentemo ese watutu bia mani FIFA president penny friend say Gianni Infantino brutal was impempi ne say akobansa FIFA so ya omo ye bibia ban say intimidation ene ade kan say chese ehenya na uya ye be chill contempt uya masa akokodam uya akokotunu ese openi no wase se bi ye ne yenkama Gianni Infantino tia say apuncheni wo nso ta no oji wo masa ade no masa wabre wo enti yana lewe be kan sack me every day they sack enti openi friend say Kevin Lamo say ene FIFA mpani for masakina masakinti operation manager de ma FIFA no openi friends Kevin Lamo and antiamete and say mpani for so teenager kwa na later sa and openi say kadinya no and so to judgment dey na bibia no and so timi akon after some my how long modre and so timi aba back to football after say ya left his doping ted banner ya de tone so 4 years no abranten no about Chelsea and antiamete and say Coventry City so no and so timi hwe ni musa ne on betimi akofa Branton on a loan speller and so later so pemese kadinya no and so to judgment dey na bibia and so timi akoka mama for when to himself Real Madrid and so consider say Martin should be meant to say kan and so dem outside team no say after say Omanya Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante openi offense won say Mourinho say and it was susu na so waji team say Brantia je friend say Eduardo Camavinga say so na Aurelien Tchouameni masa on team rela mo so nko awa season enti Omanya so kokofa Brantia je friend say Martin should be meant to say kan and so dem Mike so coach and outside team no and so later some in say reporter and permitting say 65 million euros ana say ade kan say pono me pacho ade kan say asa kobanza omu gia tuma madu enso esika madu tim ne nso betua no so latest ana pemensa kadinya no enso tu judgment de so na bibia enso timi akwanka na wey enso so eye story ba ko amasa emu awuram brutal unim sa brand friends Ellen Brotaland we say kanima Manchester City team no Opel P1 player was a goes to the power. Our current squad where the Man City team na a brand Mike so coach I did not 2 screens no where Ellen Brotaland unim say ever since a brand joining Manchester City City World Cup final B na brand to a shego ebin sida during the time I can say 11 games. And in a final 11 finals said Man City a brand to to me finding the back of the net. I can say one to me and to a transform a Man City team Timasa a brand 10 years and also a latest I mean second of penal Jadin also air to George Medin so manager can copa nemum and command and can dos nemum and man was here to see from now yet if some common and so some years also no mommy found to him say last season open one player or committing most fouls power and so our EP anima 1 card bia Hugo Ekitike abrante osi akande ma wero Liverpool team no 35 fouls and our committee ani nyina no referee bia no a wotimi eman yellow card abrante no masa wotwa wode adwini nyansa to brutal no so nkoma aka no pe me gada di nya no enso atuja on this note yensi form efisam nkoma no yemfa mesum kan ketesi Lumba super yente we yaba ise ba efisam nkoma de siso
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo Dead DL Power Sports.
Right, Debussy, Sinkonia, so kind Catesi Lumba, Jupano, Pamadica, in Comacha, Jumadia Bia, who didn't open Suma was Rasuma Beja 4, and also Wayan Fuam from Quadano Mukoscuno, and Super Papa, Amon Bioma Jimu, and also Omapomo de Gina Branadia, and Lumba, Supayan Money, Yama, Minimum Mafia, Fumosua, Mama, friend for the Suma Swada, who did do Juman and Asampo, no Bobby, Nasa clean system, no Aya Lumba Supan, Kwana, met me account for my sons, and you must FDF one sweat me at to be a beer dear, Obia sweat me to me Ghana Enquires, and I Lumba Super to Mukwaman and Yasuja as a diaspora beer and sweat me at Lumba Super and Suswa to Mammy for Manamo, now baby beer who money take my answer a teaching a bench, baby beer who terminal, who sweat me up, push out my nice and so at me a company for 0549889685 0549889685 and I said 0549436616 0549436616 Lumba Super Empany Forman and Opemedia Tuja. Yes, a Ufra Umaya onsa and so a company for Madama and I Yagusua Sinkonia so a good Yamusaman Peno Yarusumo Jumadi Cassis or Fadusuna Fe Yamfe Fisamon Commano and so na Bibi Bianso and Timin Quanko Jumadi and so and Rana Openia Fence George Afie where your former GFA Vice President one also across party one open here friends Fifi Bansen one a veteran general so anything come out to dona nano by George Afie so the idea can say revelation means what me about mountain was say at some point in time Ghana Premier League need a massa who can liga just a catasisha proyene as a can pa and so atini akwanka umpa Ghana Premier League ni say I say maybe a as a Ghana Premier League game ba kubi and so to Ghana na Vision FC and the club bia na almost every voter enti Mike so coach akromo ba bi won and na o this big game no so Asia so na first half ba we na say Adia Kanza club and free voter na se Vision FC come yansa omuntimi na Tesa fans nsi munso ma dia by womo refia ban se na Vision FC pa boy game watimi ya reham ya share 3 dia ene yosomase ne ya brotroi ya bo officials na ma omo se afa yendi game ni biem omo tam omo bag na hwi omo so omo ba fie omo du legona na call me so free ahun Tesa yesi otimi fo timi wa o ka wa no rofo beti we dia ya rofo mo ko pa ene yesa from the masa mo persistent na mutimi moto aso di djuma as of official na say referees ewo kromu ade a mo nko back na ba bia ya bro mo no mo nsan ko di game no wo de yentie Mr. George Afie nkomo anu a wono so ko di ye.
There was a match between a team from the Volta region against Vision FC in Dewu. The referees were beaten. They were beaten mercilessly. At halftime, the Volta region team was leading 3-0. The referees at the halftime, they were beaten. The referees said they were coming to. They won't officiate again. They packed their bus. They got to Legon. They were called to go back or they will take their name from there. I am saying this here. This is the kind of system we are having in our country. I am telling you, this happened here.
And I am telling you this happened here, no. Mr. George Afiem Koma no so akodi yade ni nyina to dwumade asu no pema bibi bianso atimi akonka na wo wie no anso a ose nei yen kama Mr. Ketokra kumino kasa no wo ya GFA president wonu kroya serve as second vice president ewo CAF wose yen kama no ntia se kromo a yenyina na ekọ benkrom football no na ese ba bia ekọ no na ye giagu an sa normalization for ba ye wo mo se eye 2 times wo ba se ne ye won ye kromo a ye mampani ade e kan se o ma didie ni ye to no 4 years bia ne ato aba se eye 2 times Mr. Ketokroku wo ko 2 times nyame aduma next year September no 2 times na so 8 years waso obedie tie bia se opanini ntimi to ato ne 3 times na wono so edi nkoma so obetimi akono wasi obedie betimi bia na ono so antimi anko 3 times o say wahwe ni mu say young chaff na nei omo rising so ewo industry na say fraternity no ombetimi enso atimi atekiment no.
After 8 years, I want to see the leadership of the FA changed, not necessarily George Free. You understand my position? My position is that we've witnessed 8 years of Mr. Ketiyes Okreku's administration. 8 solid years. By next year, September, it will be 8 years since he took over. I am saying that Wabeyebi, very Mabeyebi, but new person must emerge to take over the FA. Not necessarily me. Me, I have not taken a decision yet. But I say that whether me or somebody else, new person must take over from there. My interest will be to see one of the
DL Power Sports.
When a come up, Penny and friends said George Afio, former GFA vice president in Coma. One on so could year and after during that time, a penny gets a 50 bands in Swatting Jam, and so a sporty drive show and a swan of Pedestal Comaniano, and so I to Jam Mr. Hitman Yatna say, and command and get dos name of Yasono, one team Metema, Krobia, Kumasa, Santeco, Comino Casai, Omo and Grana, Mr. Hitman, the minim. Tania dia wo akotoko team no a wono wase yen kamo bianze democracy card bombe sha has no maza team no midfield no kro mo nya de ma yen kan no kra nchiro mo ni midfielder bia oni say Richard Bodu Agadas ana ese o masa akofa ne back enti Richard Bodu Agadas entiamete ene say no no so timi ewie ni medical sa ese no so betimi agina ma apia ene ma amakotoko mfimfi wa ye de san komo nyina tudwa na no pai kotoko agina akono omo akra preseason gusu ekoso omo ne Heart of Lions and pay at 10 a.m. Our Legon Sports Stadium entiamete after the game omo head coach Eric Tinkler and so ebe share press media ni nyina anti Michael so coach amu behwe na omo so community adwumade ne nti Mr. Hitman Makaza and command and dos ne mum emre ko yemfa nkoma nyina ansi na nwume ye tenase ade akam nyina no yetimi ede abesom no yencha Mr. We no enso samje mu Mr. Samuel afone ne ho gani Mama Julie ana fe Bema yaw Mo Sadiq ono so Madina yencha na fe Lajos so ewo tema na fe machia Mr. Philip of Philip Fields Group Band ono so monitor dwumade na no pa yencha no pa na Janet of anso Madina nti Mr. Rita no pa me chance enti Mr. Hitman no pa mama info sina
right Bismarck Adusa na pa me da se kan ka to see Lumba in supernatural mineral water wo dia godie mu nsam abesoma de hia wotie DL 106.9 7 minutes after 7 ahaye DL 106.9 Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia. pay na besma kedu say na pamfo say so the agudie mu nsema go promotion nsema be so me ye can get the Lumba supernatural mineral water and the sports about coming up next on the show ko wakrata mo bosona na pay de ba Araphobia would do one better than mom happy birthday. Happy birthday and come out Richmond Kumi Ejakwa and your birthday, happy birthday and confirm. So one from Pond, it's your birthday today, happy birthday and confirm. Faustina someone menu. I know I would have my happy birthday. Happy birthday and come on Deborah Adote. I know have my birthday, happy birthday and confirm Deborah. Prophet Kwame Ja. I know about the happy birthday and come out Prophet. Godfred Oforiata, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday and confirm Godfred Oforiata. Lawrence Kwame Boating. I know I would the happy birthday and confirm. Kuniako. Happy birthday go out to you, Kweku. Mana pa mame musa so watumi anu musio enso hie ha papa Lumba supernatural mineral water and I make am for the amawa. It's pure in every form, just get a grab. You was sashing you want a bottle Wɔhɔ and did you make the be a woody upon to be a water now what there's Obama on Sanka Lumba and supernatural mineral water. Here come up from 240555274757 Lumba is superb. Natural mineral water, pure in every form. Just get a grab. Pay a bedding, come up, papa, and come out.
DLFM 106.9.
.17 is the time, and it's time for newspaper review segment. Arabeko waka turning in a crowd. Nango saw him up in Atanasiana pay. Looking so beautiful this morning. And then the crowd. I shaba kwajo so maybe Atanasiana pay. One then saw him Johnny live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Can't get to see Lumba. And Supana Chamin now what one Daroma. And I pay the Kuwaka Tamo Boswano Yadeba. Ebraso, see the Kuwaka Tamo Boswano Yadeba. Na Mami Mogwe na fe in Shaba Kodusamibi. And then Nanko Swahima and Fa Kuwaka Tamo Boswano. One fambra and I pay.
Yereko newspaper review no more. Nishiraba kojo samibi no din semereko swaba ufie. Morning light yeba mafu amani. Headlines no abama my ente. Politics, sports, me entertainment and so kojo samibi bema wati asyo. Newspaper review on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ ma Obia. Yekano cray every morning time. From Ghana to the world, yeah, in some brew. Breaking stories, yeah, in fun to hope. Sharp analysis, they kasapa binso. Wake up, Ghana, time to know. Kojo Samidi. Newspaper review every morning. DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ ma Obia. Tune in every morning, don't be late. So DLFM, yeah, Wɔhɔ ma newspaper review. Winchiraba Kojo Samibi.
Newspaper review segment with Shiraba Kojo Samibi alongside Enko Swahima. Maybe an affair man ko Swahima and a fin Shiraba Kojo Samibi a banana na pay. Kuwaka taba drama swano. One fan na posona poso. Moboswada. One fambre addition what's deal. 106.9. Ladies first, not men before. Koswahima maje.
Major so Hitman.
Bibi awoko dear.
Yeah,
then Yankopon say happy so day so come.
Yeah.
Yo.
It's my birthday week.
Oh, okay. Now what you here? Birthday.
Yami had my Sunday in bed.
Kwesi ada na den ade na nsi weekday. Kwesi ada de but ni nyina mu ye be celebrate you.
I'm celebrating that day.
Mate, kwaje good morning.
Yes, opening major so.
Bibi aboko de.
Yami adoma de.
Yeah, then Yankopon say ade pa chen a na ye kase twedi ampo Yankopon ye da na se papa papa. Adapa ye nchetiefo na fe ye na Yankopon se na fe mo fansem no. Embesuma de share woti deal 106.9.
Rako Brian na Yankopon asesa no pen so ohwe yen so aboye ho ban na moja guso ade mo furisane yen na yen tiefo nyina so ase se de bia dade echi na wono mantie na adwuma ye na ye okwa entie de tiefo ni nyina ase all our listeners no mo amutie o mankasa mo private cars mo wa wutie o trotro no stroski no nyame hira o pay taxi drivers mo so a mo long journey and ye boxy for express and then VIP including VVIP for no pay empa bonya ne say oni Yankopon a ohira ba kwa na wa hira apem no ofe ye nyina nko no de nyina san be hia mu biewa ene yasede na yeye na hotefu nyina age so aka se ne amen
azango so man come mante
ene de na voice ne dase say e man no oye back vocalist
ene yen san ko bie mu ene na
hotefu nyina be so aka se ne amen
papa no Avedia beton kapa. But I don't pay na many a tear for your dim come and command near bono. Na ye busa ye hunsimbi. Say, intenya sempa na towa. Enya wo ho a aka adwamu, enya ho kire bia wakomu a. Enya de wo famu a, enka de obi ye kire no. Wonya saade no enkyerɛw. Enya wo tibia bia nka obi nya saa niema no emfa nkyerɛw. Penifo wo kasa bia wo taika. Yesi wo hia wo hoi ne nam enwuno. Asam ntowa wo hu adofo. Wonya asam a na wo hu adofo. Adofo adsa. Adafo ne atamfo nyina adiafra. Until we should be very, very careful. You say, baby, a sichiri wono, one and 30 kopa. And now, when some will be no, and a nipaba won't change. But when you don't have it, a different story. So, could you not come out? Not your banner pay, so I was here.
Sir, and Penica, say, I say, oh, Brian and Coco. And you know, Intino. Ne show hunti ni bia huni se efano te de bia me mfefo kasa na metaka se nyame wa dom na nyoma koyi mawa na wa moni ada ho abrabo no efrise nya dia odi wachi oruhuru ne nyina na kire se odofo a dia wo ye ne de na mo bia na adodode bia onya wo nchenti na otusa na mo.
I like the word adodode.
Bibre most of our friends in central obi wo ho ta wotare wo ho ne yamimi bibi kakra obi nya wo nchentira sa de kro na mabie wa one wawie even in our relationship dodo na oba tumi de ne homa be masa bedu ba bia ya de bebo ne kakra no so bete no be ma ntumi ka sabe no ntena bio na ho fe na fade out oye den obegya no ho sa ne te obi so de sika bebo a obedu ba bia obesumi ayi nama eni obebira na wo mu obedu ba bi no
prosperity attracts more people
so ye de ne ba eno na bie kwan no enti wo be hwa obi a wo sika bia no opade a wo mre ho nioma obetwa ho kwanya nante no ni time
menya ne simple
ade a opebia nso wenya enti no
so ye nyina yiska
what you say enti no
opa
uye obi a kakra wo ho a na wahwe wanyanko guro mu ye ade ba ko ya ne se obeyiye na nyame anya adom ne firi wonsa na oba ebedi hia ana be hu se de nyanko guro na nkasa papa na nkasa
so in difficult times na be hu genuine ones
for now de hu se hye ho a hu nyanko papa bi ada yes obia sika wo no ho a oto ne nsa esi bisu a ono atum se ne ho tono no wanyankofo no wonche da hu de oye nyanko papa da ontere se obekɔte bi mu odin mu me ka se obi tifi se ei ma se no abosu yi o se si ana nsho no o se o ma ndo mo kore nyina obi anko bio sanke do weekends a Friday to Sunday ni nyina nanka yekɔ out ekɔ kire na de na nsho ho no unu ya na kura mfa akɔ kura wonte ase sana bra bonite ntino ebe sho ho a na waye selective kakra enye obi akeke no ma na di wakire because penisa ahohire ntina na eja mowre ahohene da ho bekeka wo no ese onye obi obetuma gitinya ma wo te se oja mowre na beja mowre na openi amfai eso mfa so woni sen penisa abo ntaka na ma no ho efe na ntakrabo ne de efenyam kwatere kwa entiza abo yi ni ntakra obetuma twitwa adwum ne bi esem dia forget it so some of us na se emeni da honom ene hye ho anye wadwen se nipa na wanya na odi wachi ne your best friend da ebe free wonsa na be hu sensa na brabo
kwajo ye kindergarten ni suswane ye tonwombe when I was a poor man my family didn't know me when I was a rich man my family wrote a letter go and tell my family that still
I'm a poor man
right kwajo mo bre die mo fa ko wakrata no mbeso ma de hia wotie DL 106.9
Black Obrano pay yena wase na yenchie watifu ano pay bio na brason se kuwakrata mboso no yede ba besom o my Ghanaian atiasmaima na yehye kuwakrata mboso odwumedie na se na yede afiri daily guide kuwakrata na daily guide kuwakrata no obono hom na ne say Ghana's favorite newspaper na asema ode ba ye no de super ni wade mu chirim se court hot eduboahin ex nafku boss trials over Supreme Court suit intimika zedia yen sempinam endra dana me wofase akane signal bill penipa no dano eduboahin NF so ex nasco boss ana yesenkeja wo mutumi kopie mum ewo assembly bia na sebno mprempre mu chirim se o my Ghana court kuba time Supreme Court no ede ohye ede atoso ntinom enya de endra da asem no wo mutumi edi ya matu asem no ede ashada no pay daily guide kuakrata de ho amanebo aba abetu edwam na kuakrata no esan bo amane ewo krata fan eno ne toso emiensa say anxiety grips young cocoa farmers mmeka say openipo no ena o my Ghana oda yen cocoa dwumedi nyina no wo man mekire a boss and a chief executive officer Edma Ghana Cocoa Board me wo fase Randy Abe anate mfoni da hanom na ohwe nanim a special se nanim na efe pa na ohwe din no se na de no mu kiri na ni nyina ne se o my Ghana ekuo bi edin da wo no so no eye di Young Cocoa Farmers Association Young Cocoa Farmers Association na mekese o maden krata 10 akwa dan Ghana mampeni Belema Obuada John Dramani Mahama say wanom enyenentie sa ban epese odi cocoa price a odi to efiri akuafo ne nsem no wo mo yenhyehye bi ebeka ne se cocoa bear na eno ne ba ne bo cocoa akuafo ne cocoa no mbeto no 70% oham gichemu edu son eno bekwa ma akuafo na ban no afo ham gichemu edu asampe na akuafo ne kirem say de we hunu bi pen no ehunu mpre no so na afi etwa mu akuafo bra wo mayimu nyadewa se cocoa kuani akwa akoton no cocoa ede ma PC na okwa gine sika PC simi ni bi na wo mafiri cocoa no na je baye bosumi pi ntam ni na kobla ne nya sika akwafo yi kirem se cocoa yi nkuto ni ade a wono me de bo mo ho bra wo bi o mbeye bia enti wo konkurase a cocoa kuani betumi afiri nam na wotwe bosumi ne wontua because cocoa ne nya maaye enu ebinam de to mo manom school fees ni ade a de ombedi de abusunya behye empaboa bibia ye cocoa yi ti se koba se wombe yi cocoa hu dwa na wombe wie na womsika kokam dia ha dwen enti omo sena ban se enmani minya nhehye na wo so de ba no wombe se omodo omani kotu awisie ehunum evise abo kwakwo se mesuman enimani womo kire mi se ompese omuhunu nkrata na aban so waye no no omankasa gitum se ampane no ya ampa afidi aban ye krado se cocoa ya ye ba be ye no ye wie ne ye koton a ye mmoka aban betua yaka eno wache nso wonom pese omudi sika edi hyekwia adwumanim won pese ombe wie no makoba bosia edi abeye cocoa ombe wie na koton cocoa na ese sika maaye eno so be ha wono munya sika mpo enkutua bosia ne ka intemo sra ban nani ambere ampane ampase opese go boa na cocoa no otoni ye dia omfo omani kotua wisie ehun hyehye na waye no ente sa omani no bi kampa no pe cocoa akuafo no omadwa na obakrata feta so emiensa Obama ne se ogura bi ono no ye sunsun nipa spiritualist na positive ache no se obodi tirimu po se me wo fase abaye afi ne wanya mfinhia du ba kon 11 years old mean girl okwa odene kwa akwayi ayi nyankomade okuku no na ordinary iskedro na omache no ewo ga south mensi no wuche mi se hono ne ben lamte mers impotem hono ma ekwa masama impotem hono ma ana krachi abaye ya pon school a obafi ohwe na nim sa na osum he wani ma asa wo comment wudidi yache ma nkoto aduane kakra ma na eja uni ana okoto aduane ma abaye wo se ne ye nkofie na tena hadidi wuya na wakofie abaye no na ekwaso okudu no ma danto jese dan no uncompleted building bi ena odi ni wuram ana was openi na adan na biade mi ko edi sa ha enya dan yensiwe na osu ha na mte na osu dabi ena me nko ena abaye tietiem sa na mokọ ya ampane ampanu ne ya mpa omukọ ya omuzanze krate ne fani C prof na nsa na si prof ne de nyankomade a na oye npotem ho no ma mo se du baabi a ono watumi twa no ho na ode ayesi kasem na ba sese honhom ne kirem se ono ane mogya no wotwa ne too much ntompe bi openi pa afro mogya ene wakwa akwatam obi ba afi ne wanya mfinhie du ba kunsuku abaye o ode ne kwa akwaye nyankomade endo ada de dompe ma hyehye ne tu na mo kirem se ne baga ebu ne chemu ko bi esu a nnompa ye mu se ma ene Ezekiel ehye nkom na nnompe ne menya nkwa enya de wandra ye urade nyankopon Jesus Christ nnompe aye ne bag mo mi so peni na udton nnompe ne nnompe no ede be nnompe no o se nipa nnompe entendo ade in fact enhance tache de kakra ne ade a se o pose fu aka chokoyi na no se die nti ana sabi ode obi baba ya wanya mfinhie du baako ode ne kwakọ pesika endo ada wona ma chi no walam temres impotem ho no ma mo se bebi o mo chi ne yefra no ma ye atia tia hono mo se ben lam temres wo ga south mensin mo nkra bo mantem na awo sam se asensi wana no kwesi ade ya o Sunday ya enumere non son Metro Mass Transit bus a enipa ye muma efri Kumase afenso sana eye private car bi eno susu free man kesim kwan so ekokumase wonum eduru asenfo su pe ena sa private car itemrika sa ne car bi dunanim ne ho nya ha enti opentem ne wasa no ho akọ o san ho an wakwakosi bus ikwan yi so ene tatrata na omde kwanya ntem ne collusion emno ho do ma no sa private car ne de nyamenim ne kure ni enipa mienu no mo ka nipa be no nyina wi kura afi mofra porpol basa na omutwa kwan mu so mo nam kwan ho so car no bo wo mo ma mekase wo mo da yara sabia eno wachi enipa pode en ba nine so asen perepere mu nyina ka ho ase mekase enipa pode ba son 7 na mo da yara sabia doctors ejina mo so bo mo nkwa ho ban saa nso na banu de o mo na mo private car no mu de o mo nyina atumi awu a eno so ye nkwanhia ana no kwesi de si ye ewa sinfusu anope no daily guide ko akata no ode ho nsensem aba abetudwente anope we ni nsem a daily guide ko akata no ode besom ye
The Chronicles enamede eshemede no asie na owura bia akane na woye mrahye ewusu bi aye friend se Eugene Boache entry ena chese no ada ogina simpie ni apaso NPP fo yin na ye nim se enche bia na se na wotwe wiye mu ena omukogina yi mpanimfo a omowo mantem ahodo edunsia ni mu na wo wiye ena Eugene Boache entry echeche ni nsemu no wo kase se ono no NPP edi nkunim dia so mudi nkunim so mo ni nkunim eni wo kire ma stipends bi na eyade a eba constituency nim ya chese eni constituency we ya na eni sa feel so bosumio na watua kakra 5k 5000 na otua ema wo mu aban di tua na se amanyoko na mu wo mutena se na wo mutua wo se no ena waye na dwen se wo besan so akwa babiem na eno no etumi aboa amanyoko no titru ni etu ahene ni esi ahene fo no mo etumi aboa mo ni mpanimfo no omutumi edi agoro party no eho bra ewo constituency ho weye Eugene Boache entry ni nsema okanye na edaha no mo ya chese owura no dompre a wono na yemra chibedwani gina mo de man samam aduagiri ena wo kasa wo se galamseyes are operating with impunity under Mahama na chese galamse kwa aye kwankro na afrenso so eda amansan ekomu ewo meyi mu achese nya asem ketwa enna chese wo ka ho asem se de we galamse no etumi ekoso no na chese enya asem ketwa ewo meyi ni mu achese ase obia edru Ghana Mampanyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abresuwi no obi etu galamse ni bi achese freedom obi nyum oboye freedom na chese wo manya akonya na galamse no wo muturu die mu otene ya chese nya asem ketwa so obi anka omo de che ena omutua ne so omutu ori chese nsuo Enquires ene nsase nyina SSC awo ewo omampanyin yi abreso eno ena owura no dompre wode atudwa na ene wo konchen ha NDC Youth Wings call for stronger actions against illegal mining na chese fa ba no eka no na fa ba so ka se emebu na wendi si amanyoko nim ena wo mo ekasa eche aban se galamse no afedi aginsamu o into mampanyi hwe ne fa na asifom na bibi fa ho na ba bia keka kro no de ekeka ko ba bia tropa ya chese no enye asem ketwa eno so the Chronicles edeba no pay
yento akwa katambo so dwumade ne so ne yenyina mu ewo the Ghanaian Times kwa kata no eden pina wabetudwa enano pay na the Ghanaian Times kwa kata no bon homra ne said the most authoritative newspaper the kwa kata na some of the buy ni ochirema FDA flags chemical ripped plantains prove viral video from Medina market katafeta so tumienu ewo the Ghanaian Times kwa kata ne bwa maniesa no pay Chief Executive Officer Edema Food and Drugs Authority me wa fa se Dr. Frempong foni da hanom Mesa Frempong boatin foni da hanom na wo mu kirem sensa na nansen madwadifue ebinom de enuro na wono mo de hye bode enche na bere na ye gon ena mo kire se duba bi mpo akwadu ni ade nyina no ebinom tumi de chemicals enuro bi na esesra ho saa ndi bohu se enche na bere eba ne sanso a wa obeto ade na de sanso bone ebre wa pom den na wo mu kirem se Madina edwam ena ekopiem se ne video bi kura ba bonten a tese we de fili gani akobrane ede aduro ade hye bode manada ne kokko na watumi aton ne ntenten wagene sika gu ne botomum na wa obeton so de wo kwa na wo ne yade akọ battle for your life aye nsempia no pay no ko akata de aba se ye no kre se nipa ne bi enam koti kwa so de nuro ena ehye no ma hodo ye die na ayo haro so amano nanso ye beto adie ne wi a ya pom den e de sanim enti ye hwe ne yi pa no pa no kokobo e de aba abeto edwam na sanso na interior minister oniminyamfo Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak wakase tirim say incite violence, face the law. Interior Minister warns. Enti oswafo no man ohwe yen afisem so ekirim se yemfa ntomanim ene manim ya. Wo de opa ka ojambom nsem o munku no mo kire muntwa ne ti o munya ne sei ye nte ase mo ma yenyina yenkɔ hwe no ne ade a. Wone mo kirim se yero ho na mom Ghana womra. Na oma yetimu no obie ne ho wosane mra e wo manyim. Oye wan emna ne tiwa ene obedi ne se de ese nti wosere mo asabe mo kasa ase mo adwene ne fie de mpe na mo ka no. Monko so na emra na wo ho twem na esomumu a edem nyina beto mo level anope ku akratan ede ho sensem aba abeto dwanti ni we ni nsama anope so a the Ghanaian Times ku akratan no ode ba emontene so.
The Daily Searchlight and Mede Etwa Media no so the Daily Searchlight the Obokratana the Edikan front page Edaso Kakraka was say gold board the scandal in waiting Afenyo markings questions gold board losses and challenges commercial strategy Nature said Kumand Banudini Ora Alexander Afenyo markings and Ekasa Ebisa gold board penyo dano say na ekalbe brebeni sikana ase FF bebino yedi adia ifiri hefa eri na mo bakasa na sika no so no ase yenhunu su ikwan be na mo fa so a mudi mudwuma asa ade chi ade san ebi kura yesan na mo hia mpai bone sika no edi adia he edi na ekoso wo gold board ahye ye ho eno na ora Alexander Afenyo markings wakofa na afeso so wode aba na afeso so de dasro ho was drama at Abdul Wahab Adubuahin trials na trese yero Adubuahin in sensama ena da hanom Godfred Dami refused invitation to work during vacation as Buahin trial is halted by application to Supreme Court na trese eno so da hanom atese na enim se wo mo ni mmra wo hya mmra ne ade a judgefo ne lawyer foi ade abosumi nwotwim bia mu no wo mo ko ma ho medie mu atese ne abosumi nwotwi ne wo mu intenke ne vacations eno mo wo ena trial yi wo macha se Adubuahin do pese wo mu die ne no mpanifo ne bisim me de meji ma homi o mo ame home na me de branson se me ba adwuma me home eno so eda hano ma twese enye asem ketua na wokọ nchen ho baabia was tanker drivers kick off 3-day strike over fuel measurement dispute at Kumasi Boost Depot na twese no so eda hano ma twese ne yes tanker drivers yi wo mo so mo tie tuen o wo mo tie tuen esan se fuel no se disi susu no ne ade no enhye da enkoye emfama wo mo Asamba ko pepe ehia work the Obokrata yemu was see young cocoa farmers demands urgent answers from Mahama before the new cocoa seasons. Young cocoa farmers demands urgent answers from Mahama before the new cocoa seasons. Naturally say ekuafo nketroache so maba emabunu no yesem fa mo hunhye cocoa duemo mo fa mo hunhye kuayo mo no mo si kuayo na nkasa no cocoa no kwa na chese sikasam na ye pinso aye basa na ye to ne ade no ntisese no enche bia na ye bie cocoa na chese sika no mo ye ne sai na de amaye mo nkam ye hunu na se cocoa no ye betwa agosi ye betwa atomose ye be nde yo na chese Ghana mampanyi we no ekuafo utu wo mofo na omanito wo mofo se mu ye mabunu mu mfa mu hu nhye kuayo mu no wo mo so mo koya na so mo bai san se kua no wo mu nhye da hu so eniema ekoso ewo kuayo ma na se titru koko ni ton no emunto mampanyi emra montin wo mechiechirem kwan kura koko na ye bebie ni sika wo de beje ne se de besi aton na to nafa na enu no entumi emboa wo mom na de twato wo the Daily Searchlight mu Okoboy says Greater Accra chairmanship is a preparation for a bigger political assignment. Naturally say no so da hanoma na san ne dan ekoto aba NPP amanyoko numfo omo koyi mpanimfo bi eni dwentre ne omo wo mantam ne mens na hodo mu na ye wi ye nkran mpuni mantem ha no na owura okoboy na edu nkunimu na ode abetu dwa se nyame ya adoma sa nkunimdie wo ya wadie won krapumpuni mantem yi enye se na yi original chairman ekeke na chese na wo be pre nemom eni so ade hinu bebre wo na ni so emu akese eno enti no wo boa no ho nti we no ase yi bi comedies bi keke ena ode we no nyame adoma enche bia obeti asim na afezo so de wo ho no wo de atoa so eno ye nsema the daily searchlight e de ba no pay
yenyina mu wo the update ku akrata no the update ku akrata no ode nsem aba na ansem ode ba ye no penifo pinamfo ni da hanom na doctor ayu afri yi akasa no wotirem say a time to put up our personal interest behind us. Dr. Free rallies Ashanti MPP. And Dr. Free and which room is a mass of Saint Piama Yokuno. Mobile Bacon, Sabo Bacuma, dear. No, be or do on one cast and personal interest at on Chane. Namunya Maya Jumadane at the Abama Yokun Sabaya, and Fim Pim no and what Chabatu Mono will be to me a dinkunim our batunum. Na Kuakatano a sign a barman near same. If you sell gold at loss, you are not a good trader. Afenyo market jab sami jamfi enti ehwo no nkwaso aboso da dente no ehu hia yentwam ne yanko yanima we do say no child should be left behind osu eye obrantai manye launches major education fund etemeka se de na matrem kunwa wono mu osu adwene wa hunu sem o my Ghana ya mofra no adusua ya de ehu hia pam enti enmanim ya da wono mo de foto bi a ekonkane a ye de sika gum kama enu babeboa na mofra woni akamafo mu ni emi eja abusua ni bie no won betumi eso masene wonom school ntade wonom school fees empaboa de ombedie nyina no na eja na matren kwanyansa tumi aboa sebe ya mofra no wonom ho ma mo ne besua ade nyina betumi afa ho ka na omo so etimi akwatena de seri makwa kusua ade ntimi ka sedie eyensemoda ekoso wosu a eye obrantai manye abomode ya apa foto kese a ebabeboa sebe ya adusuafo amu usu ne potemum monso madusuafo sensem betumi akonkane enti we ni nsema no pay the update ku akrata no odi ba mountain so
yo natural say yenso so yet was so there na the national enquirer and natural say me de eto so the national enquirer na edaha was say Julius Debra defense journalist says they are not government enemies. Natural say chief of staff enenei workasa na afeso so work be man central for wo mayi mu said they are not esi sofa na eye bangayam ne etimi kansam de ekoso wo man ni mu na ye kan ye ni echichirim ema de wonte asam na security meeting ase ye ntiduru bra bia na o man central for yakonya tan ebisi na okasa we ukokere wadwen kakra bia yesen ne wo support we anasa support we ne no ena chief of staff be chirem say munya central for no munya omadwuma no munya aban ya tamfo no ye hu because nipa fiefo na ye na tamfo ye central for de ye nim ho hwe de mo ka no anasa de mo de betuja na ye be ka bie enti chief of staff aka bia ma ye wo say central for nya aban ya tamfo na emom no kore ena chese wo mo no eka eno nyam na masema chief of staff ene de abetujo nti next time ye kan be Ghana ye ba so wahunu na ene ofadi kan osu lunches fund to keep vulnerable children in the school na say omu ni bie no said the osu for na no atena konya aye no pepepe nyame so adwuma ena bo mo aye na eda enchen ha was mineral commission opens Damai district office eno so eda ha na say mineral commission no wo mo ye adwuma na say no district office for kro wo mo bie e wo Damai eno ena mo eda ha ya chese enye asem kuma na eda se ha was say by tomorrow donate medical supplies worth $400,000 to police hospitals and also so eda ha no so ni na no nyame so adwuma na bia na chese amanfo etu won ho ache na afenso so wo mu etumi aye boost energies engages Kumasi tanker drivers said them di kan tanker drivers on was antemantem wo mo so mu ti atuane ade ane no e na boost energy force nei wo mo hwe na afenso so wo mo numu edikasesi na se nkita ho wano na no tumi abo ama strike no mpeso mo kono kora no ebenya na manko na asem ede na asem akọ the national enquirer ensem woman
yento aso ne yenyina mu ewo the archives ku akrata no bon homra ne say profiling the fact na ode ababetu dwa no pay say National Cathedral Chop Audit Report Spark Panic. Inti National Cathedral Chop Audit Report sparks panic. Former board secretary cries out, jail me, inti enye izi kram. Wadamu uchirimi says, isi ni die, amsa di ayano no. National Cathedral ananko mampenida da esi amo mei, na edu weyo mwentu mensi enwie no. When kura di amsa wepe, foundation peno wano mwechwa, the most expensive pit in the whole world. Na mu uchirimi say, Reverend Victor, kusibu wati uchirimi say, sikane di eden asa di aya na bia kwehye butu ntino munjele no former board secretary no church for penny was monfa ntum because on what tum sikane di mwatwopo bi na prophet of doom predict gold boss downfall but Duncan Williams call for prayers enti Alexander afenyo marken na omo atagene so ye prophet of doom oh no wo share nkom say gold board enwu if it's a debia cancer mbone ne fa ho na say nanso eye Action Chapel International Openipo ye fund on Ukraine nso na ye kwafale ba ya me champion man himself Archbishop Nicholas Duncan William Chirim say good body yampaibo enti Ghana fo nyina mkom koto adwa nimu a mommo bi ma good board if say e ka ye beboba no enya de wakra enye easy kra ehun nsem na abai na emebu na wadama wo Thanos ayat Thanos of mensenim wo madwawo wo makwa akwache ohene ba kompotem wa Chirim say otufu magudie Intom na koma post for some hwene mwanya no momfa no ntum evize fuma agudi a mutu no kwambone suyi galamse ne yeka ho asemi enti Thanos North municipality no omakwa akwache no oyankobia hene ade mata no traditional area ne dini na namu akwata entamu kiremiza mu akwata etu galamse etomu akwache ne so pe entimikeza mu amode 100 na post for so omonye omunso ne manu na mokwache no na momfa no nkotum na Ghana mla ne ni visa sabe yese kwati kwan ya fatu tufu magudi ene mo men na ba ne se na wo hene mua ankwa bia hene utu galam se dimikaze de amoakwata na to aye hia anopai kwakata de honsam de aba na de twato kwakata ne ha na wo kirem sem DVRA to cramp down on rickety vehicles enti we ni ye driver vehicle licensing authority aso ye hwe ehunu se o man Ghana we ye shenkania ana driver ubenya license to mikrata de betwihye no mu kirem say ahyen bi ho no man fight time ay tantan nanam krom basa mbe chichiri nyina ti say wonom compliance officers no be kokrom de bia dam nam yakwantempo so de bia ene ha street nim no wo mbe chu say be wo de ka fun bi nam krom ni road we tinye adwuma woni license omoche adwuma mbe di Uganda ha no ene ka utumi se ne do no kra bia mie ene obi chenyi ji akro betumi atwe sa na ho de nyina na ode je adwuma ye be chew na chonhwe ade we pin ho enti we ensama di archives ko akrata no ode bae
The Spider ena mede etwa media no so the Spider na ene edahanom Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice yefro won se SRAJ womo ena eka se womo de kokobo ena etwato kra wo se SRAJ issues final warning to ex-ADB board chair over 50,000 Ghana cedis kickback scandal. Naturally, say in some edahina strategy airpark can say a dear ADB from pennyphobi board and knock akane no more ADB no. Womu your moncrophobia dear dear mopamo womo. Na sabio, mi cochambema, me yencha, a yedana mi pieto. Etumika ewo wanzam ni nsamo na tese sika na wasi etua wo mo ka no ebi amo pam wo mo krom sika bia kwa kodim montua ma wo mo mpanimfo ya kaka edi besi sabre ye ntua ye eno na nam so a Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice for ya chese wo mo hwe se o man no obi a wo ne fa ahodie na akoye adwuma na odwuma ye ni bia katua se no nte wasi etua ne ka ne de wo mbehwa aboa enti kokobo etwato eno mo de ma ADB fo mpanimfo se wo mo hwe o na se sika 50,000 Ghana cedis womo hwe na omuni so entententententem emfa ema womo na chief of staff wodaswa eda ha no purchase wojin tren ha woda ubonkrata huduonim wo se galamse kanka eating Ghana alive na chese galamse kunu tede me kan no white so owu no kontonkuro wi oda mansan ko mu chese baabi ade be chan ade be se baabi a wonam bia ye ka galamse asem o wonam baabi obonsensuo no ai so timu sada no wutwam na mu kroje no bonsensuo no adani Milo anata adani tea na chese wo badwene ho a wo nte ase eno na chief of staff HH mu say galamsey ko ne de ayeden papa say wo bia o mamu ni nyina e na chese ye dwen ho and then urges collective national to resolve to eradicate it naturally say no so da ha wo church mu say we no enya aban nko a na enya eyo mamu ni nyina ntie nyina ye nka mom na galamsey no ye ntumi entu ase eno no edaha na Ada Traditional Council suspends 4 senior members over defiance deba naturally say no so edaha no match say any Ada Traditional Council no msimpanimfo nan bi dwumadie bi omodie wo mudwabo bi ase no wo man hyeda anye ne yi anaso musu no omoban na amfata enu ntiade a suspension etumi abamu wo mpanimfo yi wo mo side na edase ha no ye nyina ye nim se ukọ social media no so a NPP ni ba ko NDC ni ba ko sa ade kya ade sen o ma ji sakata mouse no ya chese nya asem ketwa mi kiremu a Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amwakohene na afenso so aka ne no ya Ashanti Regional Communication Director Paul Kwabnayando ada no ada ye koto abai Paul Kwabnayando wankwankwankwa pre communication si and corporate secretary say dear ben e and the ko wi ase woda form team matches wo ye dam ne ho e wo form what say the ada no adam koto aba mu lusu yes ana say poyando de no etimi akoye ne no and Dr. Frank Amwakohene mu say wo mo NDC fo no wo mu no omugina simpie ni apaso ka de ekoso wo NPP mu maniti bi bamu say we be we ni we be na Dr. Frank Amwakohene so mi sada no wo ye campaign map yando ne denti na obetwetwe ni no so eda ha no match say enye asem ketua wo se eda se ha beyond the ballot naturally say Napo defense Kumasi place in NPP history naturally say Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe aka Napo won na echire mu say de odo a asante anase kwa asante mantem mo de adie de che NPP no ebura batowo so o chese de omu ye bia no enya de omu ye NPP firi mu achese ene wo ba asanteman aba so pa eno eye de obokata the spider ensema ode aba anopai
yeah bakobra ye nyina wesene fa kwa kata mbo so ni sifisa ye bre no edika we anim dada na ansa meso so me fa woda mienu mama de shi na ye nso so woda edika no ekode ama opemso kwadwo edu aka Apes Defense Technologies ene twede yampo yankopon edif afeba ko aka ne fie hom enti opemso kwadwo edu aka Apes Defense Technologies openi ya minshira wa na onye okese enkwatenti no yini kire ne abusuani nyina esre ede amam we yi fru adwuma yefo and afins wo client fu nyina nchen and then afins wo san ye member ede Mahas of Dear Fan Club enti abusuani nyina kirim se ne nyankopon ye wadom na ode afeba ko aka mfie ho a oma okwatenten onyini kire na abusuani nyina esre ede mo happy birthday to you once again opimso kwadwo edu aka Apes Defense Technology senior ya minshira opinu awoda no onti nanim emfa enkyerɛ na awode twato no kɔde ama me wafase a ne din de Mr. Boachi Eric Mr. Boachi Eric wo kaso ne na twede ya mpɔ Nyankopɔn bɛsɛ ya dom de afi ba ko aka ne mfion ano pɛ senior ye mu awoda pa enkwatenten yedie ne wonyini kyerɛ na yesere de ama wo so happy birthday to you once again Mr. Boachi Eric ya minhyira opinu awoda no wanya na sono kokura kaswa ana abutu senior yemfansi
kwadwo ne nkoso hema ye da ase papa quick commercial break ye ba na pay enkomo ho ye besisi a
back to Afi pram homo afa shade bed the brutal. I tell you, it's not so we are taking you way back to the 90s. Where you're back to the 90s jam on Saturday, 29th August 2026. Venue, the Loyals, our pram. Branda Besha Woswo, and the Moswo baby. DJs behind the ones and twos. DJ Hitman, DJ Alien, and DJ Lace. Your MC, Her Excellency, Nana Amafosia. Time, 7 p.m. sharp. To my issue more pram the Loyals na feno yam party back time apa kaina shane so say free won't you ask bia now for table reservation call 0596464644 0244878719 so join us as we relive the unforgettable sounds in the 90s featuring great music vibrant energy Saturday 29th August inside pram the Loyals. This is where the party is gonna be. Back to the 90s jam, we're not stopping. Joe Olaba Wo.
If you rollin' with me, come on, holla, holla, holla.
Yalande, Ghana Dradi for Mumbrenio. Afiwe Pram Beye the dead on First Trade, Pram Traditional Council, and a Center for National Culture, Greater Accra Region, under the auspices of the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Ningo Pram District Assembly, Edi Jumedia Yatudin, First Trade Cultural and Food Festival 2026. Bro, homo we are entrepreneur, Utomadia, we are Jedini, and our business owner, and Yakwenya now bar, Ghana Drianepa, business opportunities, exhibition and shopping, and our music and arts and entertainment. Wo de dwano na yesanso bawo nyompa. Ne nyana yedi brawo ewo dwumedie yase. Anyontofu akugu dan die. Bebre kwa dwumedie yi baso efiada 14th kopim kwesiada 30th August 2026. Our Pram Anglican School Park. Yanda mo bia debut. Sanse eye 24-hour economy market. Upechinchemu bia fre 0546 178 274 and 0548 918 116 for partnership registration and sponsorship. All social media platforms for updates at First Trade Official. First Trade Cultural and Food Festival 2026, celebrating African trade, food and culture.
Minia femme waso any umre kakra na menka Diofosu Plaza Hotels 171 Trail se wo pe baby ye meetings and our conferences are anyhow because Diofosu Plaza Hotels a very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se e come deal na wo pe baby ya obenya duane a emu ode ne mu ohwam na pomudin wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa betre abodwonsa ya so bogu mi na se ni pedue mu nyina ba yo fam anom dia menhwe baby a se Diofosu Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a member and a man to Mississippi 1 a modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Mikawum, nebe shekiu amoniaje, Ichagusa, oh, the Ofosu Event Center, the Ofosu Plaza Hotels, the Edai Papa, Inipadem. A buso into Sawope hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wasumdrie dia. Ya bia ya punama. Afe ye 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wabusia abetinem for a limited period. Afe sheshe Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Etra kwan ewo obotan so ene atechem ya ni nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so be huyen wa hwerase. Ye ne fire service station no ene di nhwani mu. Se wo kwa adenta. Ye ofrafra ha ubetumi afre yen ewo homa yi so 0530458834 na 0207979461. Email info@diofosuplazahotel.com. Website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Pull up. Somebody do 192 because Tema is about exploding. This September, history will be made inside Chrome Pab. The king of the West Side punchlines, the king's artist, and the lyrical grandmaster is bringing the heat straight to Tema. It's the Kinata Experience with Kofi Kinata and many other surprise artists. Date is on the 25th September 2026 at the Ultimate Night Live Hub, Chrome Pab inside Tema Community 8 and 9 Junction. Gate opens at 7 p.m. and we're jamming non-stop till the sound ceases. Vibe continues on Saturday, the 26th, with the old school jams featuring all the turntable lords. Dial *712, *33, *758#, to purchase your 300 cedi standard tickets and VIP tickets for 500 cedis. For table reservation and enquiries, call 0507-483-606 or 0244-621097. Media partners are DLFM, Showbiz TV, Adom FM and TV, Ago TV, Kasapa FM, High FM, Asasipa Radio, and Kisben FM. Kenata Experience, Yeri Patia.
Yeri Patia. Enne, Yejijabia.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
It's a brand new day and time to tune in to your #1 breakfast show on DLFM 106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ.
With your host, the one and only Hitman.
The one and only Hitman.
106.9. Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia.
Don't be on me one. Don't be on me one. Hey, baby. Don't be on me one. Baby. Don't be on me one. Tiate, me worry baba. Me we am before.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ Obia.
Me we am before.
106.9 a minute after 8. And it's still the biggest breakfast show in the capital. And I pay my main for breaking news here in Tramutewa. Uko pay more spinters to Costa Estate. I was spinters. Entire and Sakan is here to say eja ato. If you do be more honoma. A yadia a hard papa. And multiple structures are a wahonomono. Ejatum. In China pay, you know, Ghana Fire Service for 821 more alcohol, no aqua eja at Coastal Estate, a waspin tesino, eja to honomono, wash and nafi, where the hundredman, into one a Coastal Estate, then in Patamino, your best said, Mobile who you sense just no, a yadia bar, no why you're very, very careful. China pay, Coastal Estate, a waspin test, area more, multiple structures are, eja tomono. Honkomo no ye ni ADH bibia no ye ba beda eti for wotie DL 106.9 but na pay be din komo ye can youth in me Ghana awards now we awards about what scheme about
not done on nine.
ye de ba be Ghana mabunu abaso ye papa but na pempeni for fie ha no Shadrack Obujei the CEO and I co CEO Jonathan Ashon and so I ha no man pay ye ni komo me hwe na fe me mo na kwa aba na ye ndi sa nkomo ora Shadrack and afi ora Jonathan. Good morning.
Good morning.
Na anopema pom te sen
ami adom ye ho
ye da nyankopon ase papa pa ye ndi nkomo kakra ye ka youth in me Ghana award menim say we award scheme amodi aba modi ba be Ghana mabunu abaso ye papa na e yade a menim say nye semo aba na mo ye no one day pe yade a mo be ye na ade no atena ho isanse Ghana mabunu no de ye se de food apa no ana ye piano te wose ye Ghana mabunu na abaso papa na me hyase e free owura Shadrack ye ka youth in me a water e bere ben na mo establish a wosi
yo they didn't kind we there mechia etiefo
amojo so pa
na machia Ghana man na nyankopon enhira won so a oni project papa they didn't kind ye ka say youth in me Ghana awards ye ka ya na enim say youth bia no ye wo bibi e wo ye mu and so say be kwan be fa so adikodi ani be dedi no ya na mpempi ye ni spotlight no anas ye nya exposure no fa adikodi ani mpie enti sa platform we platform a boama mbabunu etime yide wo omu e de ade epie enti de wo bi mu no ye ka say youth mi a obi ye nyumtuni de woni mu no obi so adipamni de woni mu no enti chese nyuma ahodo bebre talent woni pamu ana say leadership impenidie obi wa ne de se obe penin edi adomanim obi so wa ne de se onim kasa obetimi agina di padomanim ayene akasa chese obi ane de oni ensatia ne anyepe se ne penifo kan ye no obi ane de woni mu
right. So and then my youth in me my what scheme I know say there are a lot of youth awards all over but then my mo de ne dasronko from other awards no.
Okay, the Maya the dance from other awards and they say I was schemes be briaba. Yeah, then the obi camp am person this scheme never count because okay say scheme na go say ade a wo ye dia pesika keke. Na mom no ye de ne nyesa ade bi a eboa ama youth no adanso ankasa. Esan say ye de ne say the youth no nominate ya ye be nominations to na say we nominate ya ye do fa task mu ye ma task ema oye ni ya hwesa ampasa de na wo ya agi award no uni mu ya ampansa na wo deserve award because social award schemes na obi wa ye ka say oye tertiary student of the year, and as the best fashion designer of the year, Wakoji award, and so we come na Otto award no. We bought him a feature near this car command where they say, oh, una Obi wani papa wuska. And to share banner was so good to ya near the award the money banner or G award and a fa. Then so we come because an skill and as a talent, Kona Yakan was a Mukuta award no. No need. Okay. But yet the end of the day, I say Ghana many na a platform at Bebois and Bebuno. Okay. Say Obi Bia war many no skill no. Oh, dear award, and I say, what's Nebi, and that's why your grandfather, why your penny been out to be able to say, oh, Nana, no man, because say, oh, Nana, award is here, there was the Nya, oh, Abakwasem, the amount Nya award, no bit me, I can't story be out actually say, when I'm here and I'm the Nya award.
Now, who qualifies for nomination and how do you select nominees?
Okay, you're qualified for nomination, sending a selected nominees, you know, very simple. Nomination is free, and Obia qualify for nomination. Okay, it doesn't come with a fee. Why? Because you say a platform they boy and baby didn't know was the sikana be to baby and yanisa. Into nominate a task no, and a betray say would deserve award.
Okay, so minimum say you been nominate you and you go through process, and is it by voting?
Okay, so no, it's not by voting. And I make us a nomination. Your website or your website, no, UTV Ghana Awards.
And I can let me tell listeners say my website and so. Okay. And the website near correct
very strong. Until you go on your nomination section or until tap so don't be call forms no. Now forms ni bia with me affiliate there won't be a Philip and I join it.
Okay. So and your voting process.
Okay, so you will two sections. Okay. A voting and a task. Okay. As I said, but task is 70% and a voting here 30%.
So how credible is the voting process?
Very, very credible. Okay. Very, very credible. Your judges. You will in 24 local platforms. So I think it speaks for itself. Last year, and you're recognizing 24 mina youth and also nominated and almost say this is a task. Even this year. Omo compete for win award no. Omo kasa to me testify say hey this awards is really 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 interesting. It's not just like any other one bia sending for you no. And they also say because last year what to aba last year that's why your task na. There is no way even the Rubenya award. Onsanka. Obeto about pepe but we do one no. You better the entire Onsanka award because you don't have the skill. Why should we give it to you?
Right. 106.9 8 minutes after 8 a.m. here and I'll pay any youth in me Ghana awards for aiding Komo. Because so what is said the Komo ne kono?
Now you person me find out to say money age bracket be say let's say Obia
age
range you know Obia from 18 years upwards and Obia bitimi afare for nomination you know and I say Obia bitimi contest and say ope I mean, I was to be and because we to make us me what 10 years, but me feel it's a mean to meet me up more than I would have been so much award. And no, I want 70 saying.
Okay, right. So, yeah, no, my
okay, see, we know any age limit. CSE youth in me.
Okay.
And today,
about for a beer or what talent to be no more or yeah, dear son could be no. But to me, far for
nomination.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's fine.
And the last year, you share and telephone be crown of business say, no, was 70 years, obey to be a nominated, and I say, oh, who was 70 years, and I drained to say you to inquire all your youth. But what I say, yeah, Obi what yes, so far as Obi one wants when you so or Gen Z's no again still I know when Timmy show you name rant be my dear name one also or the PA but when Timmy it's a platform we have an also person the bar why not Obi Timmy nominated now yeah last year dancer of the year no yeah I think 15 years or 16 years yeah okay on him peripheral is here kind
right.
Enti ye bisa say asat now last year we dey for this year say this year dey my bia na munyanye bi kra
this year nominating task course task be on the 10th of September
for now no my nomination na we
nomination and they are closing nomination
that's fine
right
that's fine
Okay, go so Abraham.
Me pesa me bisa. Now first of all, me pesa o si sudua say voting na ye vote na nya no na age na so e dey pick the winner.
Yes.
And I think so what's the benefits? Me na me ya nominate me no. Whether I win or I don't win. And for so be na me nya free.
Okay, so me jama Jonathan no.
Jonathan Brema Mora Jonathan Sean co-founder for awards no. Okay, so Jonathan Mamintio.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jonathan.
My main sunchia at your phone. By our fatting me training shedanyo. Phones bed and before. And the question I am beside has to do with one credibility with respect to voting, right? Say, who are there now? Now we won't pay for a cuckoo down for the abbey at the end. It's a soon soon ya dear and tanisho musomu image. That is the first thing we consider. Second, they say institution na ye friend yem Ghana. In conformity na ye me Ghana for. And I nya dia free Ghana says and for us to also have our peace in the country, we respect credibility.
Okay.
Now with the voting, many can say tax and our voting. The voting is 70% and our tax near 30%.
Right.
Now the system is designed such that when you cannot vote and not do your tax. You cannot do your tax and then not vote. Right? And last year we had an experience with one of the nominees. He was doing the voting. No, you're voting in Ghanaian tax. Yeah, man, one about it that it's not one that you can actually buy with money. But me this car, you are supposed to do the tax. And the reason why you're stressing on tax, they say, with award, no, it doesn't end on the grand finale. We connect category winners to brands or institutions, right? And to say Obia winning content creator of the year. Na me na about DLFM. So ni mumbe ye juma. Na fe nipa na aba no they are all you know. And same factors will be winning. At the end, by the credibility to at stake, right? And tax ni voting na person means say the voting does not really guarantee your win. We are focused on the tax more. And to say to abakra na say unya tax na the system automatically cuts you off. That is how it's been designed. And the money here on the same level.
Right.
Right. And then talk of benefits. Adia bia bibinti na yeden yeah. And yenim say as youth as we are, we need certain things to make life end very well for us, right? And see, one of the benefits I'll stress on, which is Yimge's key goal, has to do with connectivity and then network. And we are in an era where, let me say, minim Hitman. But now, what does Hitman have to offer to me? I have to prove myself worth of it, right? Until we connect those winners, even if you are not a winner, and then you go through the tax and everything, we see something in you. If there is a slot somewhere that they would need people of your services, we connect you, and that is our core goal. The second one has to do with your branding and then how you carry out yourself. So, and to share tax, the first tax has to do with a general tax, and we check your branding, audience engagement. Then finally say, oh, you're an engineer. Now say, why yeah? What me I damn or baby, you have to defend that project. How do you defend it? What creative content about ABRDB? You have to come out and then defend that content you've created. Only now has to do with audience engagement. So that also has to do with some of the benefits. And then the other one is the normal trophy we know, and then the plaque, and then there's a certificate of honor. Trust me, yet we didn't know our certificate was heavy till until we ended last year's event. One of the nominees had to constantly call us for her certificate because she failed to attend the event. She didn't win. But we also give certificates to participants. And she was saying that wherever she went for Tech Talent of the Year, and she needed that Yimga certificate. She left wherever it says she was to Yimga's office, to take the certificate, and she gave us the reason for that certificate, and we're like, wow. And the certificate we now we free baby or one then ababeji certificate. So talk of that. The first has to do with connectivity. That's the network. Second one has to do with the trophies, the certificates that we know, and then the main one has to do with the audience engagement. How you preach your yourself, your branding to audience.
So that means that there are opportunities after event, you know.
Yes, exactly.
After awards, you know. Now, there are more Ghana mebunu papa. And are you getting support from corporate Ghana?
Yes. So talk of support, Mamufa chance we and fan Hana sponsors, right? So last year, GH Media Mega Studio, right? And we had
GH schools,
GH schools, yes. And we had sponsors like Pepsodent Ghana, we had Vena, we had Safels, but these were some of the sponsors. Even GH Media itself was a sponsor in terms of the venue. There was the subsidy. But this year we have very strong sponsors. We have the Kuipers. That's Akokon Keten Papa Nibako or no Silver Shells. And to do West Coast now, we don't say Jim B or KFC in Champe. That gym is
West Coast
Small. We say there's a gym there. Yes, so that gym is also a sponsor because we believe in fitness. And some of the benefits, we will take some of the category winners for them to go and have free sessions. And I recognize these. Me touch you on. Right, and then so we have Kuipers, we have Focus Across Borders, we have Silver Shells, we have Elsefa Kaufman Foundation, meaning National Science and Math Quiz Mamino. Yes, so
the foundation is supporting.
Yes, the foundation is supporting. And talk of that, she's a recognizee of YIMGA, and we also have the Ghana Institute of Engineering, because YIMGA categories engineering woman, and we have Ghana Institute of Engineering, we have the Exotica or Odilene Watches, we have all safe chocolates. Ufa asia hanum kakra ko transition.
Maybe I confirm one.
Yes, and we have quite a number. ABI be family, so I mean to me, Bobo. And better boot, Master Richard,
make yourself
perfect. And so only school, and the school also deals with multimedia works. That school is also a sponsor. He owns a radio FM. That's Kente Radio. Kente Radio is also a sponsor. And then Bulldog had to key up a project called Adopt a Cell. Do you say prison cells never Ghana ni nano? So we would down say a whole time, right? And he was taking upon himself new few people to say episode the musician. So they paint the walls of those prison cells. Then they put the washrooms and then their bathhouse into good shape. So talk of Bulldog is a sponsor. Bulldog, yes, he's a sponsor of UTM Ghana Awards and then Lincoln Studios. So there are actually lots of people. Pepsodent is still a sponsor. Venom Mineral Water is still a sponsor. Yes, so these are some of the few sponsors I can.
Right. 106.9, 18 minutes after 8 a.m. You are paying youth in Ghana. Yamga for Edin Komo. Now, what schema? What the about? What the Ghana Mebunu Abaso? Until we corporate Ghana, we Jumaku na honoma. Once we to me the ontuma ababo one day. No, so what I said the Nkomone Kono.
Yeah, sure.
And what Ghana Mebunu Abaso ye papa.
Me more Mabaso in the kind because Mebuni Pina or talent, you know, but. Say ubenyu obi obeboa no na watimi say de obi a content creator ne wo ko online ne ade amanfo de wo mu de agro ne ade a ba wo hwe kwan ahodo wo mafa so a wonom eboa Ghana mebu na I think say a laudable idea as say nyina yetumi support because penisi say de opa de pa kokotoko na enye na bro enti wo edge ye youth ni say say omu nyina yetumi participate whenever nomination forms no wo mbo bi no no obi amfa no heden enhyemu but maybe say so mo ahoma bi wo ho no mo bi person no mu di nkomo concerning ebia o mo project na opese ebia obe support opese ebia na ono so kra na next year ebia nomination forms no opese ono so etumi ewuram ni ade a mo wo WhatsApp number bi ana say number bi obi betumi
and call your website no so mo to
do very important
very important
website ni ade na montumi any listeners no check akra
right
the sounds of the massive pa na so be person reach out to you and also file for nomination call www.youthinmeghana.awards.com
Pacho repeat ni bio
www.youthinmeghana.awards
right
and I say search Yimga and afibia no your website so go now type ebia Yimga 25 ubehu last year Yimga 26 and remember this year now wait me afa into 27 so how the Yimga 27 no bema website research and a man easy.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. With me, I'll file for nomination.
Right. Black Obia say Mr. Bibi wo ho no mo soro nko amoya e bia yem touch ye nka ho asema mo betumi de awura mu na.
Okay. On the nomination you were 27 categories across. It cut across.
Okay.
Into your fashion design of the year, hairstylist, and also means even bonini na. You just see your best answer because
categories no dos.
And also because your leadership side, skills, talent, and many more.
And also fashion designer of the year, photography of the year, photo model of the year, makeup artist of the year, musician of the year, visual artist of the year, nail tech of the year. Once a day, because your man no me nails acrylic near the no, what does papa? But a bit more year pa, was here born abaso. And so nail tech of the year, hairstylist of the year, content creator of the year, youth influencer of the year, graphic designer of the year. Our categories in the year, Edoso papa, music producer or beat maker of the year.
Yes.
Edoso papa.
You see a better me. I said the carpenter phone in Ashim.
Kabebwa pa. Yes. Me wafa say nko so hima say. O kire me say na ne talent ba ko nsi Obia na oye eduadwonfo. Na otumi di nnua eye bibi. So on the table be ye ne kama pa. Ne ade pa. Any fundaka.
Now, answer me, let me ask you, what's your long-term vision? Long-term vision for Yemga and for youth development in Ghana and for sorry so.
Okay. And your long-term vision is Yemga has come to stay. You per se biggest one of the biggest festival in the country to celebrate young people and our legends.
Okay.
Yes, that is our long-term vision.
Okay.
Now, with connections and a whole lot. Okay. Yes. And now, second question.
And one of me some long-term vision.
Okay. And Black Obia no can be about tax. Tax no more can. The wotie me no tax na ye de ade kura wo su wuni mu ye no eno na wo be ye e wo be fonten tan no so ne hu ni say ye be bisa ho se na wo yi ya no eno na mo ka ne say tax no ntie bia ye fa ne say bia minim nyemoto
and as for example kosro him awa hai ne bia hairstylist of the year or ye wig ni ade a wo so tumi de bi ye bibi ne hu sampa
ye hu ni say ade na ye ka
ye bo abaso about it no utumi yampa
na de o manage ne pa ne say o say wo hwe wo mo tax na no mo ye 70%. Na say utumi ye na wo ye ni yi a eno na betimi asika of victory. Dan say bi kura voting no because voting is just 30. And then mo ye 70. And meaning so won no mo ye no modern bo no de utumi ye no was cross na wo no talent ni mo na betimi ama we hu ni say yes ade no betimi aya na say wonye den. And nipa bi obawin ni bia na nipa no ye credible. To me that's how I see it. And na ya de best Ghana for you to say yemfa ye hu nhye ye nyina efre nyina be wuram. Oh yes, next year me wuram. Me ne nkoso na eba. Ne eba be ye news.
Na wase.
And I say category na ye wom. Yes, me ne nkoso be ba.
Right.
Before being to the no so ka.
Okay, so quick one mami temo.
It is na wo kana. Last year the NIA na into omo movie ni winners no mini abe me kan ye sponsor baako.
Okay.
The man be sponsor credit say no buy no be hu say wow. Yeah, ye project papa ma so many say Kofi Ajololo yebo Mame Dokuno Abaso yebo David Donto Abaso yebo Chief Imam
wow
yebo na Abaso yebo Asofo so Abaso Apostle Abraham Obuje yebo na Abaso yebo empedifo bebre e ba ya e ma yebo ma Abaso ewo event na no mani be je enti Nana Moses ono so Kaipes sa akoko nketenkete project ni bi na hoye enti ono so ba no be hu no say wow your graphic designer of the year no or fano na odina aye juma
wow
you see enti when na ye enuama
these are some of the opportunities around award
and companies and so approach here the companies might say bia o ye winners no say share the good last will be my company from HR to cleaner.
Wow.
Say yempen for mom. Enti qualify yet DNA. There is no way.
Opportunity.
Chance.
Right. Okay, so Jonathan Mamiti.
Right. Enti Yemra be man bisa question back by himself family in this.
Okay.
Or bisa say a den sooner yen can wasem ye.
Yeah,
that
sure.
has to do with something special about Youth in Ghana Awards. Okay. And minuani sesiano kind we yiso din kakra. It has to do with recognition.
Okay.
Yenim say adie bia ye ni sesiano nkofo bi di kan ye den. Ye. Enti omo lay partner my na then yeah follow. Sometimes as Ghanaians we fail to give reference to people.
Okay.
Infani say Hitman there meaning say me ma take care after Hitman. I'm supposed to give Hitman that credibility, that credit that it is because of Hitman that we are able to do things like this.
Okay.
And Youth in Ghana was has also taken it upon itself to recognize legends.
Okay.
Pioneers, individuals whose lives during their youthful age had impact on the Ghanaian youth and still having those impacts. And to Obo Kofi Adjololo, Obo Tiff Imam, Obo David Donto, Obo Nkwafo Bidin, Mame Dokno. You know, people even think she's not there. She's not there because yen in Cambium, but she's there. Or service or identify her. Do you understand? And at for Munyan Kambet Miasano, she's still active. And these people are people that did things during their youthful age, which had impact on us. And see this year, we have people like Captain Smart. We have Ajit Hanan Pusha.
Okay.
We have Oscar Provincial, Inspector Bedia Kusemubeka is a movie now.
Yeah, sure.
He brought so much education on
television back then.
Yes, exactly. We have Professor Osefa Kaufman, that's engineering. Yeah, well, Akofa Jani. Mickey Belku, that's the other bootsman.
Akofa Asiodua Jani.
Perfect. Yes.
Mimi Papa.
We have the dancing Makola women. Because of that thing that official starter Nenko for now start here, and more of the market women are even coming out of their shells. Aside the selling of the ingredients, no more to say right now there's more of the market women out there on the media. Right. It's also a way of also promoting whatever it is that they are selling. We have SDK Daily. On also started content creation. We all know that. We have Rotract Club. There were Kwampa Band. Kwampa is doing very well with the traditional music, palm wine. There were Rosa Part. On also Nancy Parliament born Abasu or a disability or a woman of disability. Yes, Rosa Part kids king care. Exactly. And the mention of Rosa Part, a person of Bibia or onye abled or disabled.
Okay.
There's something in you. A debut or more about me then ubet me aye. You were Evelyn. And now him say Waju. My name say Munim Waju.
Yeah, sure.
Waju.
Yeah.
As I say a friend who Dovsun. Obina di buy. Nipa no di buy not tiasin.
Wow.
Yes, she's alive.
78 years.
She's alive. Yeah. That's COP retired. Gifty and in Butchery.
Okay.
Wow.
And the events then move on.
Okay.
So this person or your bow. And if you have to go through a profile, we say, why that we are refusing to even admit. We have Dr. Terry Bright, Eugene,
Terry Ofosu Bright.
We are the power. We make it now the why are
Dr. Terry Ofosu Bright.
Terry Ofosu
And when him said Dr. Terry Ofosu Bright, not yet national dance champion. Way back on the Reggie Rockstone more, Ajete Sowa more, what I say, Asadie. Oh yeah, the power on Slim Basta more. And so here Slim Basta, most of the videos are not Terry Bright Ofosu and the doctor at University of Ghana and then directive videos. And more bonabaswana ese efata papa. Right. So I know pay yes and we know se besa ton safre mo bi na maba na fe the Youth in Me Ghana Awards no dwumadi no hunkomo. So thank you so much for coming. Mo final words na fe ye hwe na ye sorry so. Me sha se every Jonathan can be quick na fe ye sorry so.
Okay. So my last words has to do with whatever it is that you have. It's about high time you bring it out. My MP and microphone. Last one to has to do with the event day. It's on the 19th of September at the National Theatre.
Okay.
And the ticket is 50 cedis.
Okay.
4 p.m. Then we've started. So they should all come and then let's celebrate our legends.
Okay.
Then the young ones out there.
Right, Jonathan here does say. Shadrach, quick one.
Okay, so Mr. Meta Obia say, and as the CEO of Youth in Me Ghana Awards, I have witnessed the incredible talent and the innovation and also the resilience of the Ghanaian youth. And I really want to urge everybody, say the Oyen and Neno, and Manabemu Mbu, and my name Paba, Uncle Sunye. Because consistency and a good results eba because we are there na se wabemubu uye mutromojo uye nyenya me ya na maye.
Consistency brings results.
Yes.
Ana na nanom kasa abasoba ohui ena majapa ye.
You know say obi bia de oye bia no onye ne ho nya na oye no obi gina bebi a ohwa obebo abaso chine bi nti obi anjere no
ya da se papa akojo
mo wa homa bi ho ana say contact bi ya obi pese o reach o mo out no so
on telephone number. Okay, so quick one. Jonathan.
Yeah, 2 numbers.
Okay.
So we have the 020 91 201 28.
Okay.
And 055 959 84 80.
Okay.
Right.
So
that's papa.
Money is 020 91 201 28 020 912 01 28 and 055 959 8480. Until which you are offer
right, me that's papa 30 minutes after 8 a.m. here, and I pay the Youth in Me Ghana Awards for us papa Shadrack Obujana Faye Jonathan Sean so waba na fi woni edin komo DL 106.9 now still to come on the show, and I pay ye be din komo and koma ye be born and now betting na sex leak sex video na nam social media and dia to so cry azigi you get azigi share mam ye be sisi ya.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ, Obia.
Better know wanting me. Freyetena patasia ukitumbia micho Saria yatena baida seria ubikashia mitiu Ote sisi maso Ote katameo Ote
Anidaso Wɔhɔ, Obia.
No.
Shiranka una baby yeten Adriana Shiranka una listen una baby yeten
Do you wait you better frame on the way. Phone sat to me so or they could me preku. Or do you wait you phone sat to me so better frame on the way. Or they could me preku. Rock 'em feel him more, feel it, kiss him more, I'm into my young. Rock 'em out, feel him more, kiss him more, bumming into my young. That's a being a no casa, now me feeling it take crema, I was on it to cry. Come here, cause I'm a rough away. Come in, rough phone, I'm with you. What do you wait? Rock 'em out. Feel him more. Kiss him more.
DLFM 106.9.
Look back, man, and call.
Anidaso Wɔhɔ, Obia.
Tonight, many ow, no referee. Brrr, game over. You ready that second
Not time, are you ready? Soundmasters and Afi Krumpap and Afi DLFM Semin Control. Kofi Kinata experience what tema. Now your favorite storyteller, Kofi Kinata, about tema community 9. Just a hobby the papa favorite storyteller, Kofi Kinata live performance or what tema. And to want to ticket about Modia so to ticket, tell a friend to tell a friend. Catch you be no son country be say Kofi Kinata live or what tema Krumpa on the 25th of September 2026. 7 p.m. So mama calls. For a mobile phone, this is now also to ticket. I short code where what dial I star 713 star. Now if you want about 33 star 758 hash. Mami says it's for star 713 star 33 star 758 hash. Tickets in your regular and your VIP. And to tickets now for you share more. And you fear that 25th September 2026. I will crump up tomorrow. Official media partner here DLFM 106.9. Now the meaning that you win the sunny area. The old school jam. We jamming like never before. The top DJs on rotation. And on your Saturday, no question that no. I am quite special. I am quite special. It's my shemo our tema krumpa. Also bet me a reservoir table na fe. Yes, shemo Kofi Kinata live. Our home. 524-0244 621-097. 2 tickets in term. Early bird tickets now ready into one somebody as obey the air. Nafi bibia akuyi kama pa ediamawa. Wabɛ was soon one want to mean bedroom. I was I want to mean just a dimpa. I dear about quay upon us what is you about 1 day enough no baby compem. What dear your dress among now premature ejaculation bear my was so to me now so papa sexual weakness. And I don't know the antisa a yadan chama want to me as some nuclear say Kotokone has much nuclear a say. I just so well bear memo. I mean, can forgive us speak capsules and farmer, give us cool capsules. No, I don't know what is here. I am Timmy Hawa. Papa, give us a bar mixture, but I don't support your immune system. No, good to malaria, typhoid, and I feel John D. said, boost to appetite. One nature said, you are best one and my one condo now. Here, give us a bar mixture. Black store pharmaceutical shop will be a your babe. From 240543 222 470. Give us speak capsules, give us cook capsules. Bomadi and so on so bema on sakebi. Isan se ebebo papa apa. Anapa Lumba in supernatural mineral water. On sakebia ebebo. Jumedi bia wudi apuntu bia water no. Uhia Lumba in supernatural mineral water. Anapa yeba bedi nkomo. Medika kan wasam de da. Sana pay. Ene ubehwe social media, online, sex leaks. Na leak leaky is that they didn't cry the atosu yazigi. Minim baby I said in free here. Then one man cause him send me message. Boss, good evening. You get that zigi. Azigi say. Minya zigi we him fa. I don't pay everything kobo. Yene Ghana cyber security in penny for everything commander pay 106.9. Stay tuned. Woman enye ya woman for bra and a betre medical candidate so we been free cross we been free ne ma so be you man ye and fama yen and I join you live on Facebook. It's a send up a conversation I having on a educative. Medical Culture said DLFM. We are here to entertain, inform, and educate our listeners. Now, the increasing circulation of leaked intimate photos and videos on social media. Yadia, a hadjune papa. Now, an apenyamen chadie, Yensako Ran Nelson, Herad Dakon, a senior manager, cyber protection, security, our Ghana Cyber Security Authority, Child Online Protection, Cyber Security Authority, and I pay Openi Abba, see about Badin and come on. Rather, come matching.
Yeah,
now I know what I'm to say.
I don't need experience.
As a me who watch a pa. Na adwuma phobia ho ye de. Chief Salasi ho to say.
Ne ho ye pa.
The Nyankopon asa papa.
Rana Juna offer me say masa. Me hia ho. Dia for hia nti.
E wo so ba. Ye da se pan so se ye tron safro no. Waba na ye di nkomo. Rather ko no pay ye ndi nkomo ye hyase. Wa nshaba kodwa join yen. And about Dr. Big City so join yen. I know say nkomo ye bedi no wo ho sua ho papa and ye bedi nkomo no nkoso hima e wa nti wo say ye di nkomo. Rather ko ye ka sex leak. What constitutes sex leak? And then the kofa saniama we nyina ba.
And let me tell what you for and will be building a failure to DLFM and pay. And check us also come Agbeti Selassie on the Director General Cybersecurity.
Divine Selassie Agbeti.
Yes. And check us here come on my opportunity to come and educate the public through your studio and see my channel not pay. Yes, because before some call sex leak definition, no, me mau statistics kakra. Jumakubia from National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Omo US. Na every year be omo year research na omo de report about how your mofra to children under 18 and navigating internet no na omo challenges omo face. 2020 report by say 13,000 sexual images of children and young people were uploaded on the internet in Ghana.
Hey, research on the buy no.
Yes, and see near face bia aba at least be who be being tia igusu ane ya awareness creation ya. Me since ya make as at 2024 na increase ko 24,909 sexual images of nkwala ya dia gu internet so amanfo nhwe no mo access. Oko cyber security authority so the report to be by 2022. Near because all the reports added by through the internet point of contact and also not 3% a non-consensual sharing of intimate image and no brony friend will be another web like I said revenge porn.
Okay.
And if you're moving so a buy university for your interview about the issue of non-consensual sharing of intimate image. Now 48 people here na on perception nature say omo do forward the amount for sexual images ama e social media omo ni ma de crop right say na sex leak me abrant here me say so me nam street so anaja me share abayewa bi na me de odo asem true nanim wapene so yatena kakra aja makosra no na ye di do kakra in the first place what ase say ye ndi odo the first what ase say ye ndi odo no esi hwa ye di odo na wie ni aka bia enka consent na eka ho no enti se ye di odo awie afi bosomi achi mehu na odo ayedi ye no ewo nipa foforo phone so ana se ewo social media so a amanfo ehwe ene na abefo mu amanfo friend sex leak no in other words your friend a non-consensual sharing of intimate image.
Okay.
Sana brofo mu ne can because sex ne pen na me consent say yenye but eno nkyere say my consent say me wi say wo san distribute and say wo share so what say intina ma for friend sex leak you know but because victim centered intina em pese be use sex leak you know because areho wo kakra so what I say but proper term I use man no a non-consensual sharing of intimate images and videos.
Okay.
So what I say and in a home cheche mu na ma che no ye di do awie asa afi bosomi atime hu na afi Madeja da social media so na so obi foforo phone so e ba ne say wan kan kire me e no share
okay
e no
sex leak,
yes.
Now what happens if someone forwards a video and you on a record here at the movie foforo no saying I'm running kafa
yes so o share section 66 of the cyber security 67 of the cyber security act na watro ha non-consensual sharing of intimate image.
Okay.
Or say, memory firm running or say a person shall not with intent to cause serious emotional distress intentionally distribute or intentionally cause another person to distribute the intimate image or prohibited visual recording of another person without the consent of the person depicted in the image. In some and others, say, "Uni who kwan." Say obe share obi and I say would you be obi adejamfo ni be mo obi say on share abrani pakoni ma consent and then pakoni hu wom so what I say on my consent say share na wa share in temrani can say obi obeye sa no commit an offense with the term of imprisonment to be prison say wo tie mi anope ya sa na mrani can imprisonment of not less than 1 year and not more than 3 years because just sad way your review no and run years the be abeka ho and government aban pass bill na cyber security na bon say increase because very very sensitive and I say for the purpose of this section no you can say emotional distress at the end because also say share you are causing emotional distress. What does it mean? Or say any intentional conduct that results in mental reaction such as fright, nervousness, anxiety, worry, notification, shock, these are some of the things that the patrono or try or share or go through.
Okay.
What I say, psychological issue, any emotional issue.
Right.
Okay.
106.9 and I pay you din komo ye ka empemu agudia na obehwe na fe no akwakoda bonten. Ora da kuma membusa o. Me ne wo bayi na wo honom. Ye di agoro video aba abonten. Ebere che na fe wo buy the video e bom entrene say mama ni say ya sextortion. Mama mi say ya mi yo say ene me leak you. Video ni nie. Sextortion, blackmailing. And on a day na cyber security mombra no e ka fa ho.
Okay. Sextortion is over cyber security ya the number be tudwa. I'm a public and free reporting issues. Into every week bia no you share cases are eba near top any there.
Amunya cases.
Pa, and say a case is a dose of power your case in sextortion.
Sextortion.
In Kwala Penina.
In Kwala
SGHS4. Our my show naked pictures for their boyfriends and now from boyfriends in black million. Recently, a coach in Kwala me Bako your classes. Bako your police commander ba na Bako your of Mami ba.
Hey. Perfect combination.
Yes. so get nititi am ne say akwano obano or 12 years. And a bema no 15 years. And see or the naked picture man a boy and the boy now so mu na akodi different hand. Different hand in nature say on obano have sex. And yes I obe share naked pictures on social media. On the opposite on Pesca. So normally
onenna.
So mostly no enye nyina na esike bu on so pe on so ni nna bi ekoso empani fon so there was one case bia na opani oba bi on so otifie boredom na ha no nti oni obi chat wo social media so pa so US on obe ware no open no ni ade na ma meneti ase nti now ma men choose sextortion no more advance because they invest. Criminals some invest because they do what they want.
So Obia yes sextortion or a criminal?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I'm running here.
Okay.
Nti ubo say nti ma me bu how ka so friend no party say yeah o kwa se me kotomo also jai me obi de mu aba within 10 minutes no be the more half bag abre ma me no. O say o na o se me ko emiti okay me to dun aba no de nu aba so they actually invest the buy trust no e be kese.
Okay.
Na ma okase osase obusa ne sexual videos obetima ebusa e de amano because akwara me ma say okache ma me so hia sexual video ma me so ntimi nye no so obeboa na manaye to the extent that guy ne to sexual toy dildo. I don't know if you know the name of it. As the small moto
cause boy kakra friend saying
dildo
good at the small moto bre ma me no and I'm not naked decision one the video name my feed you for blackmailing.
So what mommy say, I may you say
different numbers. They use different numbers. And one thing is say they will come again because they know who is the Ghanaian say Uchia. Into Uchia pay not a different number. Or say me so me wa me a blogger. Me who social video but now the same person.
No chassis.
No chassis. It's a story in the Akosopa. Into we hear mrano 66. And also cast extortion once more say a person shall not threaten to distribute by post, email, text, or transmit by electronic means of or otherwise a private image or moving the images of other person engage in sexually explicit conduct with a specific intent. So I say, man, fact is a device, a phone, electronic device to share somebody's naked picture by threatening the person that if you don't pay this, if you don't give me this, I will leak all those things. So I say, intend to harass, threaten, coerce, intimidate, or exert any undue influence on a person, especially to extort money or other consideration or to compel to which punishment now. And also, or say a person who contravenes section 1 commit an offense and is liable to a conviction in terms of imprisonment and also be called prison, but not less than 10 years and not more than 25 years.
Okay. It's sana and community. What you bring kakra na fe no. Ye trust 106.9 Anidaso Obia no pay. Ye din komo.
Brahit yembisa Mr. Da kon say. Emremu no ebia na meye abaya ana meye bemu a mesisu a menyu obi a menije no ho. Na mene na ekwa akwada no say metwe e camera e di sisu say ye record sa na. Emra ka bibi fa ho. Ana se ebetumi ye ne ye ho nti ebetumi de ye phone na esiwo ne yatwa. Ye wi ana yare.
Okay.
Not more the VR na hwe.
You go have say e ko saying.
Okay. Obetumi a consent. So ye fa camera see so ne ye wi ayahwe.
Okay.
Esi ho a. Emra ne etia abra ma wi a abako afetire ahia amana ba bonten. Enti se ka se consent na ye hwe contest na say me send me naked picture amount. Esi ho a. But me share ma na say wo so di komo obi a ho na wodi for. My consent me no me no enka intem ma share ma. But a trawa and I would for. As I said, that consent no
breach of contract.
Yes. A bit me a consent so any video recording sexual and I no no and you na bit me aye. In terms of or don't
mo but a trane kwa bonten.
Yes.
Wow, they call it
good. And na emrane no obedi no.
Enti yemfa ne say obi enemy ayi bi na nipa ne say e kwan say no person de me fa so. Me a me ye victim no. Anamo be na ese mitu because ene dodo na omo e de ba na e ba bonten ne dodo na ba na e ba. Enti mitu ene bi obi atrete me nhira nkoma na say obeka la say yi no e wo me ho enti no brafie enti sa me hia sei. E ba ne sa me na mo ben na ese mitu.
So be threatening so be release material na.
Yes.
Then I was right.
You need to calm down. Enya de bia say nyame adom ye wo cyber security wo ho. Ye wo powerful softwares a yetimi to protect you naked picture so that nobody can share on any social media.
Wow.
And on Abia I'm repairing if I have time I will take you through the software now who fear I want to be to me here. As you instead of you be threatening while you do it before you even call.
Wow.
It's 292 no we fresh cyber security 292 immediately.
I don't need a toll-free number.
Toll-free number.
Right.
Immediately. So fra na you upload naked pictures but making sure say all friend who the same videos of good because I don't ever upload a good software now software now hash it or hash it or be share all the social media apps globally so it will be about picking there TikTok I find it there Facebook I find it there Instagram I find it there Telegram I find it there into what be try so be share through all those the system will block it.
Wow.
As I say, so that is how it's fresh cyber security authority. We have a way to make sure that you are protected. It's immediately, no, don't waste time.
Right.
Why? But don't pay any money as well because the moment I'll be to you, or you have money.
Enti maybe say yamfa ne say bia me de akwa bonten dada. Na me pese mpanifo boa me minim ni pakura wo share me de no. Eno no so cyber security mo betumi aboa
cyber security
authority mo betumi aboa se o me video na akwa bonten no betumi ahwe mahunu se osimesi nipa osimesi wei na de me video ne di kan share ye ma foforo nya bie.
Oh yes, because of forensic tools near the adwuma no possible. And I also have collaborating with a lot of the social media apps.
Okay.
Facebook, WhatsApp, we do collaboration. And there's issues nearby. We actually chat with them.
Okay.
And then they do the takedown and everything for us. It's possible. Ofra. So be threatening. We are always ready to help.
Right. Dr. Big City, Sem Troni, Essence Obia, social media, or yes, what you may papa. City Brema and Common said the Abano, and I pay ye can't extortion and I feel leaked videos are. Ye di hun command up ya new ra Nelson Herald Dakom, a senior manager, child online protection, and was cyber security authority. City. Mike na minti wano pe.
Mr. Hate, and pay me charity for you now.
Yeah, just papa.
Now, my question come out, your penny is here or kind of studio. So, senior, so my bisa say situations where will be nude after the social media. How quick and cyber security a bit man taking it down, because there's been situations where some of the apps a bit hard to regulate, a bit say Telegram, hard to X hard to regulate. So, which in the space as cybersecurity authority now, how quick and I'm take it down such videos in terms of apps are very hard to regulate.
Yes. So before that, telcos meetings and collaboration. Yes, and share building crowds within 24 hours. Telcos anymore. And some of these things we should pull it down. But in terms of the apps, most of the apps are not situated in Ghana. They are all outside. Depending on how swift they can. I mean, but we do our best to make sure that within 24 hours, it may a bit so that you become safe. So, Sana, based on the collaboration, how swift you are able to send information to those applications. Up there to make sure that they do the takedown for us within 24 hours. We are actually there.
So situations where once for now you were pending ones be a wabontia.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm for can be brave. So and almost
I know your friend Aziki
WhatsApp say end-to-end encryption.
Yes.
And our phone so. It will be phones what tamale you can't go and take it from the person's phone. Emfa. As I say, but issues like Facebook and all those things, like they say, we have signed agreement with Internet Watch Foundation, Facebook account. So what happens is that a bar incident in the bar within 24 hours, I will say Facebook taking it down. I will be intimate accessing.
Okay.
And we are for children and on UNICEF yes project in the cybersecurity for any for children below the age of 18 years in but for adults there's nothing like that. But we do that at least. That's what I said. We did 24 hours. We make sure that all those. But it will be phone so they are better when they.
Who say baby a tough funny a Telegram.
Yes.
Telegram ne dey.
No, but are you planning some of the measures via Telegram or mobile to me? They can tell us because no.
Because any crowd. If I'm coming home with a line of education kakra. Mostly say o send video Emma Obia, especially WhatsApp na Ghana I use more. Obi o send you na delete on the phone so. Even on WhatsApp, what delete on phone so it's like that's what WhatsApp storage device na so.
Yeah.
Into mostly they also call settings.
Okay.
Or call storage. O call storage obi hu niam a wasend one delete it.
Yeah.
But still stored in your phone no. And I move on so phone now use you.
Yeah.
We use iPhone now. Quickly into your cloud. Not letting it from source.
Okay.
So say, normal Android DBA. Then and also send you call WhatsApp no. Not letting it from WhatsApp cloud.
Yes.
Very, very important.
Yeah. So these ones are for those who are tech savvy, right? Now I'm real for you. Some way crossing the cloudy. So we actually focus on prevention.
Yeah, sure.
Men cross and aqua cloud because
and cause what question or person bizarre. Now cause why ma?
I me question. My question they say. Tisa me de me ho example. Me na my video no. Na obi betimi aka say
video ben now yeah.
Wo de me fa say me am nude. Me am yes, me try me ho na me am my video. Enti me am my video na me no obi timi ka say mistakenly na me ko post was snap. whether with somebody or with not somebody, me and I'm posting me video no. And no, I'm running to me cheme. Some me I'm posting me home. Ewa bontin so Obia and Shemen.
Same way there. Maybe I'm a Obia Bissau because maybe now Obia Bisa. One minute your man will not be type of society man. But I'm now.
Yeah.
I think there is something like indecent exposure. Yes. Such because we believe that what the two soa obi kwasha and as a kolebi kwasha obi suya amwahanti. There is something like indecent exposure in the constitution.
Okay.
What I say, but normally no, I one of face consequences. How what I say, but now, as I said, innocent exposure. The constitution talks about that.
Okay.
And to me, I chill through that.
Okay.
Okay.
But the Cyber Security Act is not there. But I think it's part of the review that was done.
Right.
But my second question.
Okay, what's on?
My second question is say, quite ben I'm first motion crofo because there are some videos out at Yehu. Ebi kura pia nansi akola ebi kura be mu yenchi ubia. So me pese me hu e was so be reported and sani ache no anase mu hu a e was moche. I want to understand something.
You were child rights advocate.
Okay.
Example of Akolade Awokan, who say you were child rights advocate for country more. A banesa or more mujina. At the release ba a report to say the scene area will be in the you know, Department of Children, Gender, by for instance, child rights also by say arrested and you say anything. People, such people do that. And I will personally know so found who are me about reporting. And I use cyber security and you share the caliber of the person, the integrity and all those things. Maybe or your celebrity or your minister or all those things. Everybody else making sure say we protect everybody like individual. So what I say, that's what we actually human rights for Babu to do that. Cyber security we also do that. We also make sure say how because we man bapa we man ya usum man no say person when him bebu asane sa man so making sure say but there are a lot of cases are lining up by court cases in the doors
court to bem
court to bem recently CCTV there was a boy be our creative omo WhatsApp group na girl no so ebe kan WhatsApp group no boy no boy school na girl no so girl school but who they on bed so they were blind dating and almost say almost exchanging sexual images among themselves. The guy was actually sending AI images of himself and a girl no sending real pictures. I just say and say here na say wa ha kwala no ti anye e say kwala nya kwache no emra no any need nine.
Okay.
So crime is all them cry.
Okay.
Yes.
2 minutes after 9, yama callers no so
bra seconds and some cover callers no. Next baby any pane wo bia no mbetimi allocate no.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, were a lot of ways to do that. I make I say forensic research near there. You betimi even your IP address you betimi actual where you are.
Baby I should be
location everything. Yes.
Right. Winifred message or the banana pay say good morning bra kwabena. Is it necessary to video when you are having sex?
That is
the world is surely coming to an end. Winifred messenger. What the banana pay? Why would you no more questions? I'll so busana pay ya. Now my old friend here 0593406565 0534 050199 Lumba supernatural menwa watadaroma. Mache.
Me wa me de also.
Right Vance no pay wapom to say.
Ntia mo amo ho ina, ya me nsia mo. Ntia lewa boachi. Any doctor Enquires. Me wa Hitman this me wa no wo ho ma me ne say. O di this o man we in na ye aduma. Na on kan tira me nipa aye sade we ya ye do mo atu. Sade we me to sebimpo. E ya for them sem. Say we obi dey sex. Now the baba beto abontin. Ye wo man the national security coordinator. Now who abayiwa papa mouse scatter bibi. Ogu na ni mu aseputo. Na Arab countries na wo betina ho aba kasa ya na time omanya ye wo no ansem na nya adwuma na emma sombo nti ne katre ma no ya musia mema na mun study won onipa oni suban hu na within the week no wo be hu so onye ni papa ana mariwa na yes ana so mun kan hu se mo ye da ho tem nya de pa Ibrahim Dase
Right. Alright, Vance, yes, so yeah, that's 0593406565 0534 050 and open Koma Yabono. So ba na so do question was sembisa ene watina tene ne sembisa nyina no odi aba na fe opani da ko ayiwa no papa ko na opeso ka bibi
nti wo hwe Mr. Evans asema wo Kenya senior obi da fiase anase obi oho no ma wa yes ade bia mpenifo amamra di ni wo mamu ha aye we example so black man we mute no
me pacho mute no
oko Google crowd be hu justice Sebo is one Sebo and then between the nation or a CCTV camera repairer.
Okay.
And or yeah, okobo CCTV camera ni ma obi. Not also far so shebi or she ni pakrono. I want them. As I say,
so she feel no feel
far. Yes.
Ola kuma my fa call we
them.
Good morning.
12 years.
Good morning.
Where about you from say?
Yes from Akaline.
Mami ti wanna pay.
And the make say much from I think friend, hello.
Never show me to you.
First call no friend. Okasendi. Unse mbano sikedi na bomutim obebi omo shebe unse million pa simbema. We have percentage wise. Mbema be 20 na mbano be 80. Na environment so omo yedi said that came on na I say omo ma worry na yedi that million because of one person in Ghana but young ladies no omo women that million pa because one obabi oma me find example Russian or buy some years ago you understand say early last year you Kumasi in buy about 20 or 16 people on your year on some more HIV. Ube shempo na gani iko na kaso pia call you but because of open security ya dada no oye if mbadi wo on fedu uni ni wo ma because of yes ka
right Mate yeah that's what make you point. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Gideon Berma Sante.
Yes, sir.
Mami Tio Gideon.
Yadanyamiase. And the program ya muye. Aya disua de kese pa. Na monko so masa anche televi. Entimi kwachiri. Efise so bi afa kura na obi enyan sare. Asene se. Rudo na omoye sade no. Aya na nimdie bi eni ho ma hom. Bibi ankyerɛ om sɛ ebribi di omanim sabe na di omanim no bia na adwuma bi na wo kwakonyaye na we ebe wo ha di hu adanse daache sɛ eya control kura na wo betu a ebe wo saa na godi hu adanse daache eti wo mu a wo mu enimu na wo mu ye no wo mu fanya disua na mo so mo koso indicate ye edo na ebribi anane enke wana gimse nka wo baba ye bi no onu fanye disua na ne wanya yi bi so wie na onu so kokose ne da atwa brabo no onu so hu no.
Right. Gideon Berma Santia that say good morning.
Hello, Mr. Hitman.
Me ba share for say.
I just let me hear them Kasafri Jericho.
What Kasafri fa? Jericho you. Yes your DLFM ha ma minti we.
Actually, let me say, is it important to know be that was say we have video now?
Is it important?
Yeah.
So only will be there will video.
Like, is it very important? And because the person that like on air time for seriously.
You Mate also want make you a point. Good morning.
Hey, it's mine.
What's the?
I'm a Kasafri do Bruni dance.
Mamint you.
It's mine. I dear Bako, Madame Fubuo. Not I yes, maybe so no or catch them say I dance yenti. You know, me no, I never quite how many say. What was it? 10 year man. Say a drew at the side dinner or bar any answer one a cast zero. And you know, be man again, I just saw bell cordua to a German record. No, it's a person visa papa say, no, almost a 2 and won't be. I'm actually will be. I'm an aya dance Sydney. Another move down the time and now me that say.
What's it? Me so me that say. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba share for say.
It's
Thomas from the Republic of Ashima.
Please go ahead and make your submission.
For this program. But I'm praying that at the end of the program, the cybersecurity experts over there, aside from the code, you should put some other numbers down. I'm not forgetting me after. Now, any if I tell them go back, CCTV camera repair now, see, upset your big camera on them now, or call no ocean. You know, now face me for opportunity, me country, and my one, you come to the guy now, a certain hotel and a restaurant change location. It has a location in a particular route, so they can set cameras there without your knowing. And you don't know that your naked pictures and videos are out there. Every month. And after if they are not part of us, this world wouldn't be a nice place to be. But if they are capable of anything, but on baby dear, they should think before they should act. They should think. Because
right. Thank you. Mate, yeah, that's a pass on so what to me fresh. So call us no, I make you 1 point. Yen fa back one asem you be na yen fa phone in segment no yen fancy Anidaso Wɔhɔ. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa chef Ross.
But your family
Sapon ka se free.
But you are Timota. That's how they were doing here. Say you didn't know what them. What was it then the mommy down to so be a man.
The omuwie no be so ma mo hwe mo modern ba.
Oh, David, we jansa be anim. We are 250 years. The man be
right, me da se papa set one so what to me after 0593 406565 0534 050 199 no baso an open koma yedi no na one so wo de wadwen kire e dia ba now as part of the morning show dwumadi dada yedi no ye ne Ghana cyber security for bedin sa wo na one short code no abrani nyina no yetumi abohu de Roma Ghana for ati so already number ben na will be a kosa situation ma woni kan friend afi cyber security for mon konemwa.
Okay, so medical card 292 for both SMS and call.
Okay. Yeah, for final call na yembra. Good morning.
Morning, Mr. Hitman.
Me pa chef Ross saying.
Pa chef me ya me ka se fi agree.
You, oba ya ubri ni yankwe.
Ano, eye pa mano. Ni anu mo mano. Mo mi fa yan san ye tuma. No bi fa sika na daw yen. No fa ye naked e meti abonten. Anya uwo wa aduma wo ya. Obi be ba be frɛ no no wa kwada sebe no wa ma usika no yo san ma abai
you yeah that's it. The very final call na for you. Sorry, so good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa chef Ross saying.
But you from fresh TV and Facebook room.
You if we are ubri ni yankwe.
You em say asan mo kan eye ne kwan anen.
You
emia no dressing ọtụwo no nye sika nresi a ete sokofo bi nto ni du dem na o ka se na ye sere a ife sika be mani nti obema na kwan na nka obia ne oberema de mo send dem de nti na mo de camera simus if you say when secret look at phone ma de bi sene oni ba ko getuma fra oh me shadow but when sana kan de ekọ last year to come na bread be video call na girl no say the girl nem fa na san no video call ni et nim na girl ni ye kire bra no enye nkura sesem
na wo so hwe
na me so hwe sam tene nchen
na de no wani
aja eni ni se obese akoto ho na de sesem hwe
awo so hwara
enye nkura sesem ntuma se dia sesem ka Ghana fu maye mu yahu nti asema nkofo kan eye papa
yo
eye pa
right yeah so yeah that's papa so what is any nkomo ne ko no na wo dike mu na obi ye ni video a wo hwa ye say
na bi say gwa kokoko say mesuma ni mani wani na boss wa we de obesa wani ade a wani bi hu eye den wo pa obesa
say be che dia say de ka ya so because every day who sexual images every day
o maduma na mo ye no de bia mu hu
every day yes as enra there was a similar case akwara no 12 years old
okay
or 12 years old and an mother phrase or da hono ko anu abo naked no den inside share no video no and the man the boyfriend boy no so so me na ko di different hand
akwara no how many years
12 years
na 12 years no boyfriend
into
no side video. He fan a year class or mine.
Senior, cases in a banner, the young friend penny for bio. Senior high school.
And then a cyber security authority. And then I'm mobile because minimum say online regulation war. Ghana Hanum the Mona Mudi. So I'm afraid when we say Chief me patch what out my back a crap. And nay, your more friend do one demand from parent and your per tablet, your per phone. The other day, and then teachers you cry some coffee. Obey your homework. You papa phone call online. Na koya research for your homework. I collect online na all your research no. No I call www. or news.
Yeah. Aside the okay cry no. Once the government a check tablet ama. I'm friend most of the senior high schools. Yeah, awareness or Cape Coast. 15 senior high schools na ya call health no nyom kodi nkomo. Omo nyina so ma je tablet nyina free nkwala nsima ba office. Why? Edua na dra. Omo de show Nigerian movies and a porn site near the ade. Done.
Okay. No, cyber security. Can't you regulate porn sites in Ghana?
Yeah.
That bang.
Say a minister cracker. Say before some of you better cry and say restricted age be my own team share some of these sites in Ghana. Until you go so. Yeah.
Na ba ko ba na mpese mi bisa say anka mpenifo no mbetumi tu anamo bi a obi pese o release obi intimacy video bi kwa bonten a ebi anka system no betumi reject ya na say o post kura nyi o post kura enko enom betumi aye ho aduma.
It's possible. And I won't say ja kakra. But most of the advanced countries you can't do that. Ebi mo Facebook ni ade. Say China ni yes, so that's be I so see a bit me idea.
And I think say mostly say ekoye the more of end-to-end encryption and a problem.
So the other end-to-end encryption no.
Okay, so end-to-end so end-to-end encryption no. Say security measures are most of the social media apps they able to send a wo information no encrypted. So can be encrypted as like security measures akataso. So for instance say maybe WhatsApp say the different phone access me WhatsApp or say me message prompting me say BBC nti wona wo ya na nti say me allow from me ender na say mama the go ahead.
Okay,
yes, but once say Facebook say and on the one say omo need that active end-to-end encryption
central server
thank you but the one say uposti some name bi a e was some you kind of saying
violate one
exactly okay. Recently na me Facebook account me mistake bi won say teacher bi na on a student bi ni mon name
okay
and me hu
bored there no
yes me hu and fast and me share come me Facebook page less than 2 minutes na me monetization ya take ya imagine
yes
wow. Yeah me verification ya verification if so
most of the apps no.
Yeah you know I no a very
some of the countries are banning social media and so almost so
yes
they are doing well to put enough measures
yes so but what's happening Telegram say and I didn't say they senior can go anyway phone so where
right
yes I can say most of locals no more repair man for phones and my devices no almost so ebo pa to me liki san ye man pa say obi a phone bi na aseye na wo kwa repair na bi wo so a then ipo na repair ni hu say wo so de na atadwufo a na on we di kan crash ama ne ho dada we wie no wa be fro na ye nsempi enti ene so na ye be sere Ghana
so ko wade na be di me ho to one fan to man
say okay kitchen stew story no
yeah sure
it's similar
kitchen stew
teacher ni no ni akola na ache
enti ne ye be sere say woni say waye bi wo wasa na ma ne bi wo phone so a ese ya me dofo yi so ba akwa de na eji ugina nimpa ne nchen yo sentence answer our phone ese no atofro because eno so ye how kese because do na ata akwasa o do phone ko na wo obi wo so na nipa ne nsa kan de a na ese ne wo ebi anam ebedu mpenifo nche ne wadi wo dem dada
exactly and I'm sadako me concern so say ana yembo modi ana say cyber authority BBC ebe to dwana say quickly say mbetima I react in na mo ye fi so because for instance you say you know you senior brother Batazar you say still accessible so Russia need you say
that's what system
Russia need you say no accessible so other azigi ya be nyina still nyina e be accessible
yeah.
Nti no say as me say measures
no some can
yen friend can send e be ya ne say ni fi system in at once.
Yeah, because the by the Colano titru Colaka try na me dey for a man 4 years. By default or connected to the internet now. So I video ya paper pay obetimi akohu. I share.
Yes.
I practice it.
Exactly.
I just say a sanitizing system.
So I have 3 things so obehu and obehwe. After obehwe no so no obesua. That's why I practice it.
Yeah.
Also
see, maybe final words goes to yetifia yet we dream say be a baba wa binti na ebetimi ato obia obo wa ne kunu wa abroche no asende amono na akodi baby ebi asida mamate nti enye se obi material things nti no obi koye videos no many of it no enye because omo ye porn stars they are doing it omo video muska but ye mu bebre wo ho no ma ebi atoto wo mo a you see say obo ho se na me send my husband obi se na me yese obi se na me yese enti afuto no enye girls ne boys no nkwa na ekwa ama wo mo wo ye oba tan na so wo ye obabu no ma me panyin na otifi a hu se betimi ato Mami bi kura wo social media ono so nansen ono ane ho no video we ono ane ho yes abetwem wodware awie no ono ane siesie no honya so wo send kura ma obi wo so wo hwese ne toye kese a enti ono ane video ne ho e na de na kwa akota abonten e na nkrofo ka ho asam and the people were saying oh efe ene ade enya no na ye ka but if you are a woman and as if you are a man ade bi say misu say nyankopon adwem ne tirimopo no onim se de sitie enti na ko she to krum enti ne ye na najo so enye se show
ewia ka ho a bienu ye na ewia
obi na ewia kra na enti na yenye ye wa abonten what I say
koso bacho we ye Anidaso Wɔhɔ mo bia we nya poni
anyumre na bi tell
poni
enti na akwa kwose honom no enti akwa kwose honom no nyame hwehwe se ye be ye no kukuam ti na kwose to krom sa na nka bia nka boye mo maso enti esre mo mientu ye
mo mani she kukuam ho a
yes ansha wa empie nkoye hwe
interesting
on a more serious note ebi wo ha a secret recording such people no ya na ye feel your yawo because obi wo ha na onyawe be mana na wasetini bibi na onum so me bibi ntire nukwa na enu sa no twa no be ma no ma ne ho mbebo odine chi na chire camera na oba na eden ene ye wo omo ankasa ne titiro ni nkwala na videos na ye ba otum sa akwala ni tua camera ne pa je opposition no skills
ozumi
say
twa landscape
o sa no akwala kro ba sa me pa ne show kran sa na ma ye wadwuma ma because when you tua na wo ye so what I say so that is that and most of the cases no so see you 50 cases IFS extortion cases nkwala nko a emu 48 ema
48
yes
and mu say 2 pen e mema
and already kuma me musa quick one se cases yi ba mo nchen a device o the recording do you seize them
yes
okay
yes easy investigate forensic investigation we are then we clean up your software they cleaning wipe everything before it's handed over to the parent not the child
okay
so men family might be
right
well
final words to a for what you but we him say nkomo we brand no
say ntimi anye dem I think I will come
yeah we
na bra ko bra mesre na mo social media handles nso ho no ma nanka onfa nka ho
yeah CSA Ghana Facebook LinkedIn ni na CSA Ghana
okay so final words na for yes or so
the American say prevention is better than cure men take video now we are a solution so what I say because who take when him said that we bet me a hack your phone through phishing attack and also another issue and now say what the back repair send your brain can now we pray na dey kwa into the wood don't know what them men fa camera and see also because if you share it, it doesn't belong to you again. The internet never forgets. The next 20 years, it will still be on the internet. And it will be used against you. Into mesre. Into your more franifo. Yen penifo so sa no yeso so yenya hweyi. Se de be ya ye ho masem. Na wasem kodi ho a aya na are ho so obi ma me pani pa no wosu MPs nyina wo ministers nyina enya ize wo
omo nyina you get to me bam
opani ento wada
mate obi asem kan o se ento wada kwajo ye kokwe na fe ye sorry
nti bra kwabna ye na ye litness na se na de be kan nyina se de senior man de kan no eno an se ehu hia se obeye sa nti me de bia me ka se ebebo a ye nuanom ma ya no wo de okọ kwesere obi a ne nipa no hu ahu ne fon aka hye nse wo de si charge ama no na wo de charge ma no ena me ma no so abaya bi na untrust na oba de agine fon si charge ma no aye for kra de charge ma no because e betumi abese light no be ku fi ni ho na onya bi nka ho
so tablet laptop no kwa ye bi akatum because camera wo ha for etimi twa bibia
nti ye besere se be ya ye bebo ye nyina ho bai se metie na bra kwabna de be china ye sin shiraba DLFM na eda bontin mesu se bia me fele me ho wa hwe kwa na maka manu aduro wo nti ye besere ye mo ye ho ban se be ya ensi kura na yakwa hwe anu aduro nti me de ma de sere diano no wo ya ba ya be ma abofra ye mo modern se ye ma ho kwa ma nsi na senior high schools ni amini other schools no e se etechire fondo mo ni di mo fra na chi toto na anadwe mo ha adwen na abata no so mrem oba no osere we bibia we hia bia ne we yiwani a we ba ho na ya asem abata no so mram ne nyina ye moye ho ba
Dr. Big City quick one.
Hey, so the whole thing is senior man kind of prevention is the best. Send a banko say debi intimenya kra cause we hia intina ode oba na say be man call them nko ya made mu wi a there's no need to be recorded and mostly say hotel and so na odum light na the light I will say you be hu AC light any other light a blinking from anywhere pacho me say you have to ask questions about that okay in check sen kuma ama some phone na don't drivers monjimutu
ama some for you don't mas papa nko so ye quick one.
Oh, me final words me maka de meka awie me see to krom tie to krom en fam pie sa engu ho ani mase because you don't know the obesan hia ni bi me bia na o ye honorable wagu ho ani mase dada ye mfa what you say nti ye futo na me de kwa ma na emom ene no madam fu bi e wo UK miracles enra ne maame ena ne nua omomienu nyina ya accident o man sorry nti ayare ho sempa since yesterday no ene man sheda inkoyi ono kwanso ne wo obi man so sa nti miracles baby wo bia no nyame hya wodin e ma me pa it's so sudden say ne maame ene ne nua be ma omomienu nyina an sorry e wo sunyan abisim ena asemi esi miracles mechiao nyame shawdi.
Right. Well, thank you so much for being part of the show. The very good act of being a good guest is to know when to say goodbye. And I pay Asidakesi and Uran Nelson Herald, the senior manager, Child Online Protection work Cyber Security Authority. Niafa Konya so Enche Chief Salasi Divine Agbeti the CEO Cyber Security Authority. Chief and I pay ye chapa papa. Your family Hitman Asidakesi and executive producer Ishaba Kwadio Samibi. Nanko Swahima Mabra and I pay ye das papa. Dr. Big City. And I pay CD Fest and also minim say baso wudi huduma Big CD HL DJ Mario Michael so coach best make do say and I team ni na yeda mas papa from Hitman. Good morning and enjoy the rest of our programs.